What's up, buddies? It's me, VloggyBuddy. Hey! Don't subscribe to me. Subscribe to True. He's better than me. Hey! He's also got a. Hey, oh yeah, man! I was just promoting you.
Yeah, this is how short True is, and this is how short I am.
This is an accurate depiction.
Sorry. Let me just get up.
Hold on. Oh my goodness. That's again. Cover these bad Oh man. It's so good to be back. Silver Drift. Hello. Welcome and welcome V4. Oh, V4. Your forehead's cut off. Yeah, I got a slouch. Sorry, dude. My house is built for small people. Yes. Even your webcam is built. I'm sorry. Stream is buffering. No. Ah! The one time it's actually not on. Now, yeah, now it's green. It actually says this is a good screen. Juicy booty. Hello, everyone. This is some indie YouTuber. Yeah, underground. Nobody knows about. Nobody knows it. But you have secret streams. Only I can see my stream. Oh man, I don't know what's going on with the buffering though. I don't know. Is it buffering? I don't know. What's the quality of the stream like? I'm not trusting it. Oh, hey, Sean Slaughter, hello, welcome. I don't know why it's red. I'm just gonna not look at it because. Yeah, so True is in Malta. No, I'm in the US. No, he's in Malta. yes. No, I'm in the US. I'm in his place and reconstructed my apartment. My setup. My apartment. He made it look like his apartment. That's pretty messed up. I didn't say he could do that. He just did it. Anyway, welcome everyone. We're gonna give it a couple of I don't know, minutes, not minutes. Hours. Dodo is in the house. The Adventures of Dodo and Vloggy. Dodo. No, Vloggy. No. What was the word that you... Cloggy. The Adventures of Cloggy and Dodo. VloggyBuddy, the Cloggy. So, what we're going to do is... there is a rematch that's pending between me and True. What are we going to do? Yeah. Let me finish, please. Okay. there's an outstanding... I'm going to burp. Hold on. Usually I'm by myself, nobody has to enjoy it, but now. Oh god, it smells of mushroom pizza, which coincidentally is right here. Let me show you the pizza. La pizza, pizza, è italiano, mangiare. You're the pizza. Where's Sakura? Sakura appears playing. Yeah, basically, me and True had a Pokemon battle, and he cheated. Won via superior Pokemon skills. He cheated and he won, of course, because he cheated. Because did you see the thumbnail? The greatest guy ever? Did you see the thumbnail? Versus VloggyBubbly, whoever that guy is. Look at my bicep. You see what you're gonna get? You wanna mess with the warrior? Do you see what you get when you mess with the warrior? We sound so drunk right now. We're not. We're completely sober. Stone cold sober. Anyway, so or sponsor. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna have a Pokemon battle, all right? Because it's long overdue, the rematch. So we're gonna have that. In the meantime, we want some people to gather in chat so we can play some Quiplash. You remember Quiplash, guys? We can play some Quiplash together, eh? With the Italian accent. They're going like this with my hand. What do you guys think? Play some Pokemon? What do you think? I think I can beat you in Pokemon while we... You are not going to beat play Quiplash. You are not going. My Game Boy is better than yours. Look, he's a casual, so it doesn't count. Super casual. Hardcore. That's not fair. Return to home menu. Boot up. Alright, so here we go. Booting up. Booty. It's a boot time. You got your game running. It's a boot. Alright, so Ultra Moon. Let's have a sip of beer. Can someone play Classic Clashers? Cheer! How are you, Cheer? Buddy! Why did you go quiet, Cheer? What happened to being cheerful? Or you were, back in the day, you were a cheerful friend. Oh, he's having Kinney! I'm gonna try He's having Kinney! Is it carbonated? Oh, yeah, it is carbonated. Yes, it's we call it soft drink here in Malta, but it's anything but soft because it's hard when it's carbonated. It's super hard. So he's gonna try the Kinney for the first time. Vloggy goes hard. If it tastes like that, it's gonna be very upsetting. No, it tastes orangey, tangy.
Orangey? Okay, I like orange.
Let's see if he likes it. He's very picky, by the way.
He is a connoisseur of many things.
Okay.
I swallowed the carbonation.
Came out of his nose. So yeah, what happened with you being quiet cheer? Why are you quiet now? Why did you go quiet? He went quiet. I remember you being the cheerful friend.
Cheer was quite not quiet. He was very talkative actually.
And then, because it sounds cool. Quiet sounds cool.
Quiet broody.
Look at the dance. Oh man, you're gonna pull a Z move on me, are you?
Oh yeah.
Oh man, I forgot those.
My legendary I've replaced all my Pokemon with legendaries because I know you're cheating.
I'm not gonna legendary. Can we go 6-on-6? I forgot. Can we go on 6 versus 6?
Yeah, we did last time.
Okay, so after this, you're doing a live reaction to that exclusive remake the Vloggy had? What?
Are you?
I don't have.
He's doing a face that means he's lying.
No worries, Dada, no worries. We're trying to see how many people we can gather so we can play Quiplash together. It would be awesome to have a lot of people playing Quiplash. And we make true lose.
More like a liar hammer.
Legends are for noobs.
Oh!
You tell him!
V4 is just full of hatred today. Do you see the amount of Pokemon gyms I have mastered? Do you see all those Pokemon stars I have? Diamonds? Because I'm a Pokemaster, alright?
Oh man.
I'm a pretty big deal from where I'm from.
Right.
How do we play online?
No, I'll tell you, alright? Follow my lead. Alright, so, I'm sorry guys, you can't see me because of this bar. Because of the microphone, I just go like this. Oh man. Anyway, so, can we go 6-on-6?
Yeah. Don't know how to do it.
I want you to see my screen now. So I'm gonna put chat over it.
Oh, I see
I'm gonna put the chat over it because I don't want them to see me.
I would never look at this.
Alright, there we go.
Oh.
And what we can do is like I can see myself.
You guys can't see it, but now we're just looking at a video of vlog.
Yeah, right. We cannot see ourselves now, right?
Okay,
now, so
okay.
You guys cannot see us right now.
Okay, okay.
Oh! Alright, let's do this. So, Pokemon, let's see. I'm gonna have 6 ready, as I don't know if we can do 6 ready. 6 versus 6.
Whatever's. The last time I played this was when I battled you, so my last 6 or whatever it was.
Alright, hold on. So.
You should say the last time I played is when I beat you.
Alright, so what do I have here?
Oh,
Vloggy, yoinks, Vloggy, let's play some Pokemon!
okay.
Alright, so let's start this game. I don't have many here actually.
How come I can't press start? Is that not a thing?
What? Can I look at your screen?
Oh, never mind. No, you can't look at my screen.
Actually.
Quick link? Is that what
You
you
know
do?
what? No, actually.
Wait, how do I set the Pokemon I'll fight you with?
What?
How do I set the Pokemon I'm gonna fight you with?
So what do we have in your team right now?
Like right now in the game? In
Yes.
the single player?
Now, what you do is go to Festival Plaza.
Okay, I have it. It's the same 6 I fought you with before.
Yeah, you look shorter next to Drew. But that's because I am shorter. That's because I am shorter.
That's weird. That's weird. Why is that?
So you go on battle. And
Wait, I missed the first part. What did you say?
Festival Plaza.
Oh, okay.
I am shorter than him.
By the way, Vloggy's been cheating.
I'm not the tallest of people, but he is tall. So I look like a dwarf next to him. Hi ho, hi ho. Drew is a giant next to Peter. Next to Peter. I don't know who he is. Alright, so go on to Link Battle.
What's Link Battle?
Link Battle.
Not just Battle.
Link Battle.
Which one's Link Battle?
This one.
I don't have that option. I said battle! You're a liar!
And I'm drinking beer.
You're a liar!
Alright, so Link Battle.
Single battle?
Let's go for single. You are so dead, my
He's
friend.
been training for a year and a half to fight the exact 6 Pokemon I have.
I have been training hard.
So
So
I have this Vloggy on my friends list apparently.
yeah, I don't know. I don't remember. Yes, we must have added each other anyway because
Well, yeah.
I like your crown. Requesting a single battle.
So I'm asking you to play. You turned down my request to play. Why don't you want to play? Nobody wants to play with me.
Alright, so exit there. There we go.
Oh,
Peter Langela? No, por favor. I have no idea who he is.
I don't know. Explain that reference now.
Can you write something in Spanish and I say it back to you before, and I'll say it in my best Spanish accent.
No, I'll say it because I'm actually part Spanish and you're not.
And you decide who says better. Who says it better, okay? Okay.
Oh, you decided.
Oh, yes.
Oh, let Vloggy put the cheating rules. Rule number 1, only Vloggy can win. Rule number 2, only Vloggy's Pokemon can attack.
These are battle rules. So no special Pokemon allowed, which means all your legendaries are gonna fall off. Alright. No battle rule. Would you like to alright, confirm? I don't know what this is. Let's see. Let's see. Right. 50.
Dead man walking.
Not participating team. Alright. So.
Yep.
Alright.
Confirm. Confirmed. And.
Alright. Got a victory set before I even win.
Yep. A little kitty will cool my nerves.
Let's just say it's better for you. For you to not to Google it. Okay.
Alright.
Oh, he's a porn star! Drew is a porn star.
Don't tell him my side job. Let the battle begin!
Name version 2. Alright, this is it. Let the battle begin! Let the battle begin! V4 te amo, mi amor. Hey, Toby's here! Hey, Toby's here!
Quiet, I'm using my Spanish voice. V4 te amo, mi amor.
V4 te amo, mi amor.
V4 te amo, mi amor.
Who's saying it better? V4 te amo, mi amor.
V4 te amo, mi amor.
Alright, 6 Pokemon, 6 versus 6.
I got it!
Awesome!
Oh, look at this guy getting good.
Oh, you can see my Pokemon actually.
Yeah, you can see mine.
Alright. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm not gonna cheat. I'm not gonna cheat. How are you, Toby? Nice to see you. I haven't battled you in a while as well. Well, I haven't streamed in a while, so. Okay. Are you ready, dude? The time remaining is less than 1 minute.
Pasta azul!
Pasta azul, eh? So yesterday we went snorkeling. Me and Drew went to Camino, and we jumped. Are you ready?
I'm ready! Don't look at my
I didn't look. Alright, here we go.
Hey, before it didn't say who said it better. I'm not gonna play this game until V4 confirms it.
Yes, I'm not going to launch my first attack. Hold your horses first, Pokemon.
Where? Who said it better before? I'm waiting. I can wait all day.
Go!
Ew, slug guy.
Hunter.
Why does it sound like
I don't know. Oh well, do it again. Let's do it again. You go first.
What was it saying? Oh yeah.
V4, te amo mi amor. Alright, so I'm gonna add it too. V4, te amo mi amor. I sent you the extra kiss, come on. Geshi, hello Geshi! Geshi! Nice to see you, yes, I know Geshi. He's a personal friend of mine actually.
Hello, Mr. Geshi.
Nice to see you. He's a streamer on Twitch, go check him out. He streams Fortnite.
Fortnite!
I know, well everybody loves Fortnite now.
Nobody streams Fortnite!
Nobody streams Fortnite. What is that game?
Alright, make your move.
So, oh yeah, that's right.
You're about to be.
Here we go!
Down, son!
No!
And now Sludge Man burns in hell. Yeah, go ahead and pull your Pokemon out like I know you're gonna do. Yeah, you will.
God dang it.
Yeah, you will.
Alright, I got an idea.
He's got an idea. He's got an idea, guys.
Oh, you're so doomed.
Oh, here we go. Here it goes. Now my move's gonna fail.
Why are you gonna fail?
Because I used
Oh,
that.
okay, alright.
Just in case you actually didn't switch your Pokemon. Oh, you poisoned yourself. You're tricking me now.
Alright, let's see. I'm gonna try something desperate right now.
Oh no! That's bad, that's bad. Oh, you're upping your attack on me?
Is that true?
You know Fortnite. Well, that's it, you're done. You're done! No!
I can't believe you're falling for this!
Oh, you put my can't do. Oh, I hate you. That's it. I got your number. I
need to think fast now.
I got your number.
Okay, fast now. Okay. Okay.
Hey! Jesus Christ! What a cheater!
You know, I'm on toxic, and it ups his attack. Plus, hey Saz, welcome! Nice to see you. I'm back, but for oh yeah, by the way, I need to make the announcement. I'm going on Twitch.
Oh yeah, by everybody.
I'm back, but I'm going on Twitch.
Hey, wait a minute. Oh, before said it's a tie.
It's a tie. All right, let's try again. B4.
What was that note? He licked his lips! Oh, I don't want to play anymore. Alright, cheater.
Alright, come on.
Alright, cheater.
Because Toxic ups his attack. Plus, I've done some sword dance. I've like twice.
Yes, I noticed.
Alright.
I know.
Now, let's see what this does. There is no way you can defeat me. Why, Vloggy? Well, I know, Saz. I know, I'm sorry. I hate to do that, but what's going on?
What the hell?
Bye, have a great time!
This cheater! What a cheater!
Yes, what Jack is saying, I mean, YouTube is making it very hard for content creators. I feel like, that's what I feel like. I'm still gonna keep my YouTube and I'm gonna be doing some things, but my streams are going on Twitch. Yeah, it sucks because I have 1,700 subscribers, yeah? Over there I have like 30 or 40, you know? But I have to start over, and I'm gonna be more happy being there, I don't know.
But if he beats me... Oh yeah, oh! What? I have a gift for Vloggy.
Oh really?
I didn't tell him about this. I have a gift. It's right back there. Really? And if he beats me, he's not gonna get it.
Oh come on! Come on, really?
It's going back to America with me.
Well, I mean, it's not the end of the race, so you might actually beat me legit without me letting you in.
You two-shot my Pokemon!
You guys wanna play some Quick Flash after this?
Oh yeah,
Come on.
yeah.
And this is the best out of 3, so...
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, Vloggy, did you finish? No, Jack, I haven't. Last time I played it was on Twitch, on that Twitch test that I did. Twitch is marvelous, trust me, full of opportunities for streamers. I agree, before. I feel like YouTube is cracking down on everyone. Do you watch Philip DeFranco?
Yeah.
He keeps saying how they're making it hard for him to talk about anything. But anyway, let's keep going.
I watched the latest PewDiePie. That dude can't make a video without getting copyrighted.
Let's see.
So sad. Come on, Paul.
Oh my God!
Jesus Christ!
It ups the attack. I did sword dance twice. Plus I'm almost toxic, but now I'm OP.
So now
I only have one hit.
Basically, I have to wait for all my Pokemon to die so that your one Pokemon will kill himself.
No, I don't know about true. No, I think true.
I mean, I have a Twitch account and I have streamed secretly. Nobody watched it because I didn't tell anybody about it. Just to see what it was like. I might go to Twitch.
He doesn't like a lot of people watching. What's that?
I just cheer for the handful. I cheer for the handful of people I know just to hang out with you guys. I don't actually try to stream.
Alright. Yesterday I told Drew a secret.
Oh yeah! You say it. Like, I don't know if anybody here remembers this, but I set up the stream to play The Sims, and I noticed I had 30 viewers waiting. And I said, no, because I made the stream a German title. I put, Das Sims mein Fräulein or something like that. And I'm like, I thought the German crowd found me and like sniffed me out and wanted to watch my stream, so I deleted the stream, thinking all these Germans were waiting for me, and started a new stream, brand new. And nobody showed up as usual. And Vloggy a year later tells me he opened up a bunch of tabs viewing my stream to make it seem. I didn't know you could do that.
It was a test, really. I'm like, let me see if the same user, the same account, multiple tabs would still show as just one viewer. And I opened like 2 or 3 tabs, and it showed there's 3 people waiting. I'm like, alright, maybe it just happens that there's 3 people waiting. Let me try it. And then I spammed the duplicate tab, and it went up to 30 or something like that, and he panicked. Come on, man, you had an audience.
I don't want
You never said anything about Kenny. What did you think about Kenny?
Who's Kenny?
Kenny, what did you think about Kenny?
Oh, Kenny. What did you think? It's alright. I like the orange, but I also get like a hint of like Coca-Cola or Pepsi.
Really?
Alright.
My next Pokemon.
Yeah. Did your Pokemon kill himself or you pull him back?
No, he toxic. He died.
Oh, okay. Thank God.
Lucky you.
Jesus. Oh, this guy's asleep still. Why'd you bring him out?
You just wait.
I'm waiting. I have very few choices of who to do things with, but alright. Go, Scyther!
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 That's how he cries. That's his cry.
Scyther!
What's going on? What's going on? Oh, yeah, you're restoring yourself. I hate Scyther. He's literally my least favorite Pokemon. Why I have him.
One air slash.
I only have Scyther because I was nostalgic.
You can evolve though. You can evolve him, you know that, right?
Yeah, if I trade him. I have to trade him with you and then you probably steal him.
Even your hunter if you want. If you want to trade and I'll give it back. No, seriously. You have a Gengar. We'll see. Depends how this battle goes. Hell, I've been weeks trying to set up OBS of this. It's a bit of a chore, yeah.
I don't know. Mine was felt the same to me, but then again, I don't do anything fancy when I stream, so. Oh! I hate you so much. What is this creature of death? Shadow Ball, you little puppet.
Oh, wow, okay.
Oh, you're trying to use poison on me?
How does it work? Is it poison type? Whoa, man, I failed on that.
You can't use poison on a ghost type?
I did not know that.
What a screw!
Whoa, man, that is a mess.
I haven't played in a year and I know that. You're about to die now, don't worry about it. Oh yeah, trade haunted. Yeah.
Is the text good enough for you or do you want me to make it bigger?
Yeah, a little bigger. I'm blind.
I'm not sure how to do that.
Oh, of course. Get your bougie Gengar out of here.
Okay.
Oh, you trickster! Whatever, he can die too. Oh no. You bad. Get this off.
Yeah!
No!
Yes!
Wait, is Green Screen falling on me?
Oh my goodness, what happened?
What happened? I didn't touch anything.
We'll fix it. We'll see. We'll fix it.
That's it. That is it. Go beat up your little brother.
So I can tell Sakura that she is finally free. Free of what? Free from what? How do I make text bigger?
What,
you have Zork?
I do not have one. He's such a basic Pokemon.
Yeah, he is. But exactly, he's basic. Are you
saying he's a basic Pokemon? You trying to throw shade his way?
How does your Zork not have illusion?
Maybe it doesn't work on other Zorak?
Maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, because that's the first time that's actually happened. You shouldn't be able to know what he is.
Like him with this guy.
You bring Muck out one more time, I'm gonna mess up his...
Sorry!
I'm gonna mess up his world.
Sorry!
Send you back to hell where you came from, Muck.
The green screen is collapsing.
I know! It's trying to kill me!
Alright, let's try this one more time.
Just die right now and we'll call it even. There we go.
Alright. We got this.
No, you don't care.
Is it Alt Plus? I don't know how to increase this.
Whatever, it's all good. I'll just keep leaning forward like a blind man. Bring up the next victim.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, you're a good man, welcome. In fact,
I don't know. I don't want to risk this, so let's just start with this.
don't worry about it. You don't have to do anything. Big Papa Pump's gonna kill that fool.
That is it.
No, don't Z-move me. Don't Z-move me, bro.
I forgot I had the Z move actually.
Oh, a Z confused ray? Is that even a Z move?
I know, right?
Be like
the only one I have.
extra confused?
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Nikki, hello! You remember Nikki? Man, of course I remember It's Nikki! Hello! How are you, Nikki? Nice to see you. What to do? I'm about to do.
Just in time to see his Gengar die!
I'm about to do.
You think you can put a Z-move on me?
What you do to me? Why put me in a hole?
Welcome to hell.
Oh, super effective! Whoa, dude. But I did something and you don't realize.
Yeah, I know what you did.
What did I do?
You left me confused. Now my stupid Zornak is gonna kill himself.
Let's see.
Hi, Nikki! How are you? I haven't seen you in a while.
Have you ever seen this Pokemon?
What the hell is this? A totem pole?
That's good. So you don't also.
He's using legendary. He's a cheater,
It's
guys.
not a legendary.
He's a cheater and a cheat.
Try this one. I need to pull off. Gaysler, hello, what's up? Nice to see you. Welcome. I'm back, but I'm going on Twitch anyway.
I'm back.
I'm back.
And I'm out.
Then I'm out. Mic drop.
He's what college was. Computer equals Yeah.
Are you not even attacking yourself?
What did you just do to yourself? Did you just hurt yourself? Oh my god, I hate you. That's it. I'm gonna finish you right here, right now. Oh, damn it. Go whoosh yourself somewhere else. Oh, you heal yourself! I hate you. That's it. You burned yourself too?
Man, I'm doomed.
It's been a while for gameplay.
Let's go.
Jesus!
Yes!
A critical hit, of course. Burning hell with Gengar, buddy.
No! Hoping he hang in there, but he didn't. Make Zoroark Mega Evolve.
Is that a thing?
I don't think so.
Does he do that?
I don't think so. Oh man. I'm doing so well. And now.
Swoobat! What's a Swoobat? This looks like a horrible mutant creature. Some sort of bat penguin combo.
Oh, please don't fail me.
Oh god, I have no
fail.
help.
Yes!
No!
Yes!
Okay. Okay.
I don't even know what his last Pokemon is, so I'm worried
That's
now.
my most favoriteest Pokemon.
We're down to our last Pokemon each, actually.
Yeah, we are, yep. Oh my god. This
Oh! I'm so sorry, True.
Hey, I'm a flyer too, buddy. I'm a flyer too.
I am so sorry.
No, you got nothing on
I'm
me.
so sorry, buddy.
Scyther was a nostalgic pick because I loved the first season of Pokemon.
I am so sorry.
Oh my god, what is this? What? Oh, you think you can just do things to me.
Okay, I can't afford.
Alright, you better finish me off right here, right now.
Alright.
If you don't do it,
Alright, I guess I can go.
done! Let's see.
Have a great time! Have a great time! Oh, look at the screen. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Look at this screen.
One move away. One move away from a loss. I don't know if I want to give you that gift I brought over.
I forgot. I'll let you win. You're gonna have your rematch.
That's true.
In about half an hour, I would say.
Right.
Who wants to play some Quiplash with me and Mr. Matru?
I want to play some Quiplash.
Would like to save the video? Or would you like to save the video of this battle? Yes. Why not?
No,
I want to take a look at it
that's
again.
a stupid video. No one
take a
wants
look
to
at
see
it.
that again. It's a stupid.
Such
a stupid
that's
game.
true. Look, it's true over there. Look at the picture.
That's exactly what I look like IRL. Oh wait, they can see.
Alright, so the battle will end because somebody ended communication. Oh, you.
Rage!
You're salty.
Quit!
Salty.
Rage! Quit!
Alright, so what I'll do, how about some Quiplash? We play some Quiplash? Quiplash. Alright, so I'm gonna switch this off because there's no point keeping this on now. And we're going to play some Quiplash!
You set up, I want to get the gift, even though you don't deserve it.
Oh no, I get the gift! Alright, in the meantime, let me just minimize this. Can I
set it up? Alright.
Minimize this, and I'm gonna do this.
Oh yeah, make sure I get in the game first.
Yeah, we'll do that. Don't worry. So we're gonna do.
Play my phone.
Actually, I'll open the gift or whatever it is once people are joining. So that.
What?
Oh, there we go. There we go. You see. So let me get my tablet because my phone is dying. So hold on. Let me get my tablet because my phone is dying. So I'll work on my. Be right back.
Don't worry.
Listen, do you want something else instead of the kitty if you don't like it?
I got water.
All right.
What's up, buddies? It's me, VloggyBuddy. I'm on a green screen.
Hey! Oh, hey! What's up, man?
It was not captured in the camera. Alright, so we're going to play some Quiplash. An elephant tongue. What?
Wait, what is an elephant tongue? What just happened there?
I don't know. I don't know, but we saw a few elephants wearing tongs yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
At the beach.
Oh, Camino. Everybody's there.
With the tongue.
Wait, here. Let me give you a gift.
No.
Ready?
No, I'm not ready for the gift. No. Hold on. Let me just close a bunch of tabs here. So we're going to be playing some Quiplash. Everybody grab your tablet or your smartphone or your browser, open another tab or something. So we're going to play together.
This is a smartphone.
All right. This is a tablet.
This is a smartphone.
This is tablet. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to launch a game and everybody can join. I think up to 30 people, I think.
Wait, what's up? Do I have to go?
So what we're going to do is this. Hold on. So we're going to play a game. I'm going to turn off the camera. I'm going to turn off the capture for now a little bit. So you and I can just see the password. So at least you and I will join for sure.
Yeah.
So what you do is go to jackbox.tv. Jackbox.tv. All right. You click go and put in that password. with a unique password that is.
Very.
All right. So choose a username or something. I should be in. Alright, so I'm there. So now I'm going to reveal the password for everybody once Drew joins. And then while people are going in, I'll see what this gift is all about. All about. I'm being all Canadian today. All about. True rules. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to reveal the password for everybody. There we go. So go to jackbox.tv on your browser or on your smartphone or on your tablet. Jackbox.tv, put in our username. There you go. Cheers!
Cheers!
Yeah. Come on, let's all gang up on Drew.
True rules, it's in the name!
Alright, and put in that code and we're gonna, so yeah, even though there's only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, there's 8 slots of people that can participate, you can still go in and people can vote. They can still go in as voters. So, Geshi Fortnite. Geshi the Fortnite. The Fortnite. Alright, I burp again, sorry? Oh. Sorry.
Get it. Oh, hey, while everybody's joining,
yeah,
here we go.
Let's see what this is all about.
Alright, this is homemade, custom made. I'm crafty like Nerdy Nicky. This is a t-shirt for only the Vloggy.
Oh my
goodness! Only a certain type of man can wear this shirt. I don't know if they can see it. Oh, the green screen is really screwing with it.
Hold on, let me just hold it back. And it's for it as well.
Oh, that's so hard.
So if I put this on, am I going to be transparent or something?
I guess you can't wear a white green screen.
This is It's your Vloggy.
Le Vloggy, as they say in French or something. I don't know. But
Did she have something to do with it?
No, she had nothing to do with it. I'm just saying, she's very crafty. I was just trying to steal. I'm not crafty. I don't actually.
And then what it says on the back, hold on. It's gonna be mirrored. So it says, "You touch my tra-la-la." Hold on. I won't put in the pizza. You touch my tra-la-la, my ding-ding-dong. Alright, I'm gonna put it on. And I know why you're saying.
No,
I know why you're saying put it on. Alright, you think you want some of this?
She wants some skin. She wants a little. Oh!
No, I'm shy.
You're trying to get him banned on his last day. Cover the nips.
Don't look. No.
Nobody look.
Nobody look.
Nip coverage here. No.
Thank you, True.
No shirtless man here. Just a guy wearing. I don't know if you should. I don't know if you should wear this shirt. You're gonna be like invisible.
Am I? No, look, I'm not. so basically, your paint artwork is now on a shirt.
Yeah. This is not a. I wouldn't wear this anywhere but to sleep, maybe. But that's about it.
Look at that. Oh man, come on guys, join the game. It's only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. Come on. I showed you my nips. I didn't really show you.
Where's V4? Where's Nikki? Nikki's clearly talking to us, but I don't see a Nikki flash.
Sorry ladies, my hair is a mess. My mess is a hair.
Yeah, they care about just your ding ding dong. They don't need your hair.
Look at this. Our heads.
Get a little bob in it. You messed it all up.
I put a pizza. And yes, in case you're wondering, I stopped my diet.
Diets are for. Whoa, who's tra-la-la? Question mark. Hey, where's Sakura?
Where's Sakura? That's true. Where's Sakura?
Right now. Right now. I'm gonna do this. Oop. Where are you, Sakura?
Where are you?
Everybody else?
We make a stream.
We make a stream for. Shh. Thought you was shirtless a minute ago. Oh, you
see what you get when you miss the stream?
It's going right. It's going right to her.
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, I'm putting my phone down. I need my phone. I must try a lot. Oh no! I closed the page.
That's you!
Ah! Am I still there? Jackbox. Let me in.
No, the pizza's by the Turkish place down here. The square. Anyway, let's go. Ready?
Wait, no. Yes.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Everybody's in. What? A problem occurred. I've never seen this before.
Oh.
The browser crashed.
That's what happened.
Whoa, are you kidding me?
Let's start over again.
Apparently. Wow. This is weird. I've never seen this before.
Two vloggies in this game.
Alright, let's do this then. Vloggy. I won't type now. What's going on? Ah, that's the code. Oops. Alright. Everybody's in. Let's go. Let's go. Have you ever played this game? Yeah, I've played this game.
Play with you.
No.
I won.
Let's see.
Hey, welcome to Quiplash. We've been expecting you. I had a dream that you were all together. Well, it was actually a nightmare, but let's get started.
Wah, wah.
Time for round one. You'll get 2 prompts on your device. Just answer them however you want. Your responses, or quips, will be pitted against someone else's, and everyone will vote on their favorite. You'll score points based on the percentage of people who prefer your answer. Have at it.
that one okay.
Alright.
Come on. I can do better than this, come on. Alright. Maybe this. Alright.
Okay, here we go. First one.
Oh wait.
This prompt submitted by
Cool about it. Thank you.
Jackson
Hi,
on
the
Twitter
top
from New York, New York. The top 3 ingredients in garbage truck juice.
Okay, everyone, vote for your favorite.
Oh! Okay, I had a mistake there. But it worked.
Everybody vote up.
I wanted my screen to not go dim, so I clicked the wrong one.
Oh, everybody went with drum.
Oh, I actually wanted to click bam, bam, bam.
Whiplash, Tim. Well done, Tim. You got whiplash.
Damn, wrecking house.
Next in line, you never forget your first blank. Vote on your devices.
Oh, good lord.
That was my answer.
Ah.
Yes, whiplash.
No, right? Oh, 294?
Nobody voted for his answer. So I got the whiplash. GG.
GG.
Next one, something you should not whisper to your grandmother.
Uh-oh.
Was he literally whispering that second one? Because that phrase doesn't make sense.
12 inches.
Oh!
La, inappropriate.
Okay, next one.
12 inches.
The worst shape for an animal cracker. It's voting time.
Why? That was you, wasn't it? I already smelled the blocking on that one.
Hey, Bill. Hello. Well. Yeah, you just missed the Pokemon battle.
Oh, you did cockroach. Oh, it's
Yeah, that was my answer. I wish I could have obtained this actually. That's a tie, though. Well done, Tim.
Next up, Miley Cyrus's Wi-Fi password, possibly.
That is a good answer. That is a good answer. How are you, Bill? Yeah, we had a Pokemon battle because it was a rematch. It was long overdue. So we battled, and I crashed him, naturally. That was yours. Okay, that was very original. That was good. That was original. I agree.
Coming up next, the worst thing to find stuck in your teeth.
Oh man! Oh man!
Oh!
I would have had the same idea.
Had to go there. Had to go there.
I would have gone there as well.
Fortnite never
Sorry.
stood a chance.
Oh man. Oh man. Everybody went Oh man.
That's round one. Let's
That's
take
round
a look at
one.
the scores.
Ew, I'm having lunch. I don't worry about it before. Still a puke hair.
I won!
Yes!
Round
Let's not
two,
get
where
too
all
excited
points
now.
are doubled. Doubled, I
Oh,
say.
double. Alright. Okay, so double points now.
Alright.
I'm looking at the screen over there.
No, this is bad. I don't like that one. Yeah, I'm not happy with those answers, but what are you gonna do?
Alright, I don't know. These were unoriginal and uninspired. Alright, let's go.
Let's start this show. The first prompt is something you'd love to smash with a wrecking ball. Okay, voting time. Pick your favorite.
What?
I'm not so sure, but
Don't quite know what that means.
I don't know. I just assumed cake. That's it. Cake.
Oh,
I don't know.
cake with. It's not like I wanted to say something with that.
Right.
Cake with.
I went with cake. Oh wow! All right. I went with cake. Okay, I would love to smash a cake. I don't even know what a redwood is. What's a redwood?
Oh, yes, yeah, maybe that. A red was a tree. What type of
A
tree?
theme for a desk calendar that wouldn't sell very well. Time to vote.
That is original. I like that. I love random stuff. I like that. I like that. The cake again.
Always with the cake.
Oh, the cake for the cake.
And next, a magazine that should never have a nude centerfold.
Hey.
It's voting time.
Both. Okay.
iStats! Why so long? I bet you, hey iStats, I don't remember you.
Pants! Why?
What the heck? That was the most unoriginal!
Very unoriginal. But Boys Gone Wild should have a nude centerfold. Boys
Next
Gone
one.
Wild.
The worst upstairs neighbors would be people that blank.
Sorry, Geshi. Oh, that was yours! Oh, even Geshi agrees. He gave you a whiplash. Oh, like my jaw hurts with laughter.
Okay, next one. The worst thing you could discover in your burrito.
Oh no.
Vote on your devices.
Sausage juice.
Oh man.
Sausage juice.
Oh man, no, I realize it. Man bazooka juice.
Oh no, no.
Oh man.
Oh bueno.
I don't expect to get any. No, Cheer got the
Oh, you got the Complaccio.
Complaccio! GG! No, my answers were uninspired, sorry.
And
Let's
next
see how I'm
is
doing.
the worst warning to read on some medicine you just swallowed. It's voting time.
May cause your penis to slumber.
Alright.
Alright. Go with that.
I like the anus one.
I like the slumber. It's just a funny word, dude.
No, I like the Cheerios! Because Cheer and I know what it's like to have a flammable anus after eating those chilies. Let's
Round
see how I'm
two is
doing
no
now.
more. Let's see the damage.
Let's see the damage. I might still be on top or the second.
Oh, look how close it is. You guys were tied for first.
Ooh! Wow!
True,
That's true rules! Alright.
Welcome to the last lash, the final round.
Complaccio.
Stakes are tripled. There's just one prompt, and you're all getting it. Your prompt is The worst Viking, Eric the Blank.
Oh, I have to do this.
Alright. I don't know about my answer, but I'm gonna go with it.
I hope we get this.
I hope people get mine. Mine's a very
Everybody's in.
Here we go.
Okay, in round 3, you get to award
Eric, the
3
one with the
votes.
lazy
Give them
eyes.
all to one answer or spread them out.
You can vote like for like 3, I think.
Yeah.
Alright, I can vote 3. Alright, I like those two.
I'll go with that.
Alright. Alright, let's see how we're gonna do. I hope my answer. Hope people get mine. As long as I be true, I'm happy.
Let's not go crazy.
You're winning now, aren't you?
Yeah?
Alright.
Inappropriate, sir.
Oh, come on! It's just 2?
That's funny. I voted 2 of those.
How did you vote 2?
You just click it twice.
Oh, okay.
Like if you really like it, you click it 3
Alright.
times.
Oh, come on, the Inseminator. It's like awesome Inseminator.
See, and people get my reference, I hope. That's Skyrim harder than me. I hope people got that.
Wow, really? Wow, cheer. Well done. Wow, okay.
Yeah,
Wow.
what he saw.
Eric the Soft. I like the Eric the Soft. Let's see, I don't win this one.
That's it. Let's take a look at the final scores.
Can I be true? No!
Not even
Whoa! Nice! Well done. Well done, sir. Well done. If only this was a Pokemon battle. Oh man. Oh man. Wanna go again? Yeah, I'm second.
You go again?
Wanna go again?
You
Let's
go
go
again?
again.
Where? Nikki, where are you?
Nikki, where have you?
Get in the game!
Where have you, Mr. Bean?
Mr. Bean. Oh, I get it.
New players. Alright, I'm not gonna private the thing now.
Oh, I gotta go fast.
Yes,
Oh,
gotta
God.
go fast.
Look at me.
A-N-W-C. What you gonna do? Come on.
She already got in there.
I'm not there yet. Oh,
Not in yet! Oh, there we go.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm not there yet!
Fortnite's there.
Alright, I'm in there now.
She's making shifty eyes. I don't know, she's not.
She's got one eye. Yes, she's got only one eye. Alright, I'm gonna continue my slice of pizza in the
Because he
meantime.
plays Fortnite.
Guess who?
That better be Nikki.
Better be Nikki. I'm not gonna talk with my mouth full. I hate it when they do that.
Talk with my mouth.
I hate when they do that on stream. I really hate that. They're eating and talking on stream. Come on, just finish your food and then talk. I hate that.
I brought
You got cookies?
authentic Maltese. I don't know if they are, but they were at the store. I wanted some chocolate.
No, I'm on.
Hit. Confirmed. Authentic Maltese cookies.
No, they're not.
Authentic 100%.
They're not Maltese cookies, no.
I think these are like.
No, they're German. Balsen.
German.
Yeah, das seems.
Authentic German cookies, just like I wanted. Stop, I just heard you say das.
Oh man. I finished the slice of pizza and then we continue playing.
Yeah, I opened cookies because I'm so strong.
You need need a strong.
Yeah, don't put cookies. The cookies defeat me.
You need to have strong nuts.
Strong nuts. Oh, okay. Okay, we're getting the cookies now. My floor line. Authentic German accents, yeah.
You need help with that?
No!
It's been a while now.
And build German tough. I'm not taking these home. You have to finish these cookies if we don't need them.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, I can taste the German.
Oh, someone needs to click ready. Who went in first? Cheer. Cheer needs to click ready because he went in first.
Oh.
Cheer, since you went in first. Can you click everyone's ready, please?
Let's go, Cheerio.
Please press everybody's in.
Cheer. Cheer.
Cheer, don't make me come down there.
Cheer, I've personally proven I will fly to a streamer's house and force myself upon them.
You see? Because when his outbreak didn't work. Well, come over here, I'll show you how it's done. And actually just showed up.
My outbreak works fine!
It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Go try it out, I'll wait here. Cheer! Where is it you? Who went in first? No, you didn't go in first, no. Click everyone ready, yeah. Come on.
Let's go, Cheer.
Come on, Cheerios. There we go.
I'm full of German chocolate, I'm ready to go.
This is German, isn't it? Yeah, Germany, yeah.
Hi, I'm Schmitty. That's spelled
Schmitty.
S-C-H.
Das Schmitty.
That's Schmitty.
You guys ready to lose about 10 minutes of your life?
good.
Great. This is round one.
Round
You score
one.
based on the percentage of players who like your answer. Plus, there are winners' bonuses at stake. Go.
Alright, here we go. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Alright, I don't know.
Yeah. I liked my first round answers better than last game.
Oh, somebody else here.
Fog and chat.
Hello everyone, welcome.
What's up?
Oh, hello.
You want some German chocolate? It's authentic. Straight from the German cows, or wherever chocolate comes from.
I don't know, mine are kind of uninspired as well. We'll see. Alright, we'll see.
Okay, it's time for some quiplashing.
Alright, let's see.
Starting things off, a bad place for your rocket ship to crash would be the planet of the blank.
Oh, nice. Ah! Guess who got deported? Is that Nikki? I don't know. I think it is Nikki.
That's definitely Nikki. I mean, she didn't
Next
answer
up.
either question.
An invention by Thomas Edison that never caught on.
Ooh.
Time to vote.
What?
I don't know.
I don't
Go
know.
with this one?
Phonograph. Phonograph is that one
Yeah.
that
What's
makes
a
music.
phonograph?
I don't know.
Yeah, phonograph. Phonograph. That sounds like a Futurama thing. Didn't he play the phonograph? Somebody correct me on Futurama lore. Oh no, I supported Fortnite.
Oh no, I supported Fortnite.
JK.
Coming up next, the worst slogan for an erectile dysfunction pill. It's voting time.
Ouch.
Oh man. Limp noodle corrector. Oh man. Oh,
it's us! We went against each other!
Oh!
Hey, Nikki's alive! She voted!
How do you know what? Oh yeah, she did. Yeah.
Hey, fucking welcome. Hey, Nikki, you didn't answer a question.
She voted for you. Come on.
No, I mean I like
Next
that
in line,
support.
a peculiar thing to see in a Help Wanted ad would be Help Wanted blank.
I like that. I would have voted for anus cleaner.
If anus is in the answer, it always wins. That's almost a guarantee.
Next up, the title of the most boring porno ever. Vote on your devices.
Oh man. Sleeping with time.
Is that you again?
What? I'm not gonna say anything.
No, that's Cheerios.
Ooh!
Hi.
Oh, you got the majority.
Hey.
I voted for you.
Dryer broke. Uh-oh.
Next one, something fun to yell during an opera. Time to vote.
Oh! 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 I got a whiplash! It's me, Whiplashio! Boom!
Oh!
Sorry, Gashi.
Feels him.
Am I winning? I'm winning!
I think you're winning.
That's
I
the
think I'm
end of
winning.
round one. Let's take a look at the scores.
I'm the only one in the audience. You can join in the game afterwards. You're gonna have another round. As long as I trash through. Let's see. No. Yes!
Oh! Wow! Really? Oh,
Round two is
not
straight
in a good
ahead,
place.
and that means all points are
All
doubled.
points are doubled now.
Step up Michael Plash game.
Step up your game, man. Hey, that's hard.
Who did that?
I don't know.
When you haven't stopped it to Spain.
I don't know. This is uninspired, but we'll see.
Yeah.
Let's
see.
take a
Well,
look.
whatever. You got the high score last round.
Let's see.
The worst menu item that starts with all you can eat. Okay, pick your favorite.
Good lord.
Alright. Alright. Ooh! Ooh! I'm the only one that voted for Genki now. I don't know, cockroaches with wasabi, ginger, and chili pepper. I don't know.
And next is, what do you call a baby Sasquatch?
Oh.
It's voting time.
Kind of like this one. Ooh.
Oh, the audience.
Nobody voted? Why is everyone?
Yeah. How do I vote? How many players is game 6?
I think you're refraining from. You're abstaining from voting.
Hey, what the hell?
And next, the best pickup line for an elderly singles mixer.
Oh, the stream's buffering.
Time to vote.
We're buffering.
Oh, well, could be. It's on red again.
Yeah.
I barely got your eye. Yeah, it's buffering a little bit, yeah.
Man, they're always. Is it just me and Sheer playing this game?
Oh, I did. Oh, wait, I got my answer. That's why I didn't vote.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Ah, it's buffering.
Coming up next,
Let's go down
something that would not work well as a dip for tortilla.
supposed to be back.
And that's all for round 2. Fire
We're
up the
back, sorry.
scoreboard.
Back. It's still buffering again. It's gonna buffer again. Oh, I'm still. What? No! Oh, I'm not. It's not done.
This is round 4.
I like this one. Oh, come on. I really put effort into this one. Nine. 8. Alright, let's go. Everybody put it on.
We're ready to look. Vote away.
I think mine is really good. We'll see. We'll see how it goes.
Vloggy, it's been a while.
Yes, it has been. Yes, it has been. It has been. I'm going on Twitch though.
And I'm gone.
Alright, so I voted for that one.
Oh, only Vloggy loves me.
Oh man, you're not gonna win this one. Chilling their coffee. If you like this. Alright. Guess who? Ooh. I won! I got the most votes! What? That was my answer! Last one! I won! Everyone! Alright, kind of over. Alright, well, I won anyway. I didn't go for it. I just noticed, yeah. I'm sorry, it's lagging.
Oh, keep lagging.
That's
I don't know
the
what to
end.
do.
Let's see the final scoreboard.
Oh my god.
I won.
Last! From first to last!
See what you get when you mess with the speed buffers on 100. What should I do? Should I lower it more or increase it more? I don't know. Because I configured it for Twitch and now I'm trying to. I configured it for Twitch and now I just put in the key for YouTube and now it's doing that. Oh man. I'm gonna stop the stream real quick and I'm gonna try again. I'll be right back. Sorry about this. I'll be right back. I'll be back. I lowered it to 1,500 now. Let's see if it makes any difference. Oof, it's acting up still. Look at that. Could be my internet connection, but come on, it's the thing I do usually. So, how much is the bitrate? I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I must be doing it. It must be a setting. It's not the internet connection for sure. It's a setting. I don't know. Right now, probably not buffering because it's like greenish, yellowish thingy. But anyway, do you want to do another Quiplash or do you want to play another Pokemon battle?
I don't know. What do you guys want to do?
What do you guys want to do? What do you guys want to do? What do you guys want to do? What do you guys want to do? I swapped to Chrome. Works better. Quiplash. One more Quiplash.
Alright, Quiplash.
Quiplash it is.
Quiplash.
Quiplash. Alright, so one more Quiplash, but then we're gonna Pokemon battle again.
Yeah.
Alright. So Jackbox.tv.
Let's go.
Alright, so giving you guys the password in 3, 2, 1. Hey, Silver Drift! Welcome! Yeah, I'm having technical difficulties right now, so anyway. Come on, KCUU. KCUU. And I'm in! Whoa, he's first!
Mother love.
Where am I? Oh, wow, that took
you barely made.
Whoa,
Cup of tea.
Cup of tea.
Is that Amy?
Amy.
Is that?
I smell Amy.
I smell.
Do the Amy.
Hello, lads, it's me, Amy. I'm here, and I like the Queen and crumpets and fish and chips and Big Ben.
And Bosco.
Is that
Amy?
We know you have many choices when it comes
Bugger. Where's Amy?
Well, that's everybody, I guess. Have fun and keep
All right, here we go.
You can see them.
I thought I can be in the audience. Yes, you can be in the audience. Just put in the KCUU.
You get points based on the percentage of people who like your
Ah,
answer.
yeah, I forgot.
Bonus
He's
if you
English
get more
too.
votes than your
Poke
rival.
guy is English too as well.
Oh, just apply to what we said the Poke
Yeah,
guy.
I completely forgot. What's Smokey the Bird? Oh, sorry. Oh man, this is good. This is good. Oh, this is so good! This is so good, this answer. Call me Red.
Call me Red.
I'll call you Red. Alright, okay. Red.
What a red.
Now what? Red. Now
Call
what?
me Red.
Alright, this is really good. Oh man, what are my answers?
Right. Now you're gonna lose with that confidence.
Yeah, probably. It's probably one of those things that I think it's funny, but nobody else thinks it is.
If it was anus or pants.
Let's start this show.
Did
Alright, let's
Mickey
go.
get in this one?
Our first
know.
prompt is
I don't know these names. Half of them.
the worst name for a funeral home. Okay, everyone, vote for your favorite.
If this was me, I would have said, I don't know, let's put the fun in funeral. Oh, that's your answer. I put it for you. Ooh. Oh, that's where Nikki though, because she's there.
Oh, okay.
She's in.
And next is an item not found in Taylor Swift's purse.
Okay.
Time to vote.
What the hell is this? Both of you gang up on you. Who are these two people?
I hate everybody in this gym.
Gunther Love. That has to be Sakura. Is that Sakura?
And red.
I think that's
Okay,
Sakura.
that one red. That one makes sense.
What Smokey the Bear does when he's not fighting forest fires. Vote on your devices.
Oh, the irony.
Alright.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, starting fire is even better.
That one's awesome.
Yeah, starting fire is actually better. I agree. I would have voted for you as well.
Next up, you should never share blank with someone else. Time to vote.
This is definitely Amy.
Who's Amy?
This is definitely Amy. I think that's Amy. I don't know. Unless maybe Cheers trolling.
Cheer, yeah, possibly. Cup of tea. Oh, red. Wait, is red the British
No.
person?
Yes, you said your phone and cup of tea said.
Who's cup of tea?
I don't know. It's either Cheer, probably trolling.
Oh, cheers,
Next
not
one.
Cheerio? I don't know.
A
I don't
bad
know.
name for a hospital.
Bad name for a hospital.
It's voting time.
on! I like everyone dies more. Because strictly speaking, everybody does die. Everybody dies in a hospital, so...
Well, not everybody dies in a hospital!
America's energy crisis would be over
Nah,
if
taking
we
a break
made cars that run
okay,
on
so I don't know
blank.
who that is. Floor.
Time to vote.
America's energy crisis would be over if cars ran on floor. Good presidents.
Wait! Oh, I messed that up.
I don't even know what floor means.
I messed that up, actually.
You meant bad presidents?
Yes!
Yeah, good. I'm like, why would you want to crush the good president?
Yeah, I made the mess!
Excuse to avoid riding
I read it.
mechanical
America would
bull.
be in a crisis. Oh, man.
Vote on your devices.
What? That sounds like is Sakura in this game? So upset. We get you. Yeah, Nerdy Nicky knew what you meant, but I was going by what you actually said. We get you. That's gotta be Sakura. Short legs? That's Sakura.
Sorry to think it's Sakura.
Sakura, we know what you do. Just
Get out of
come
here,
out and
Sakura.
chat.
Sakura, if you show yourself in the next
And
10
next
seconds,
is-
I'm gonna take my shirt off.
Onion
Whoa,
devices
whoa,
will
whoa,
have
whoa.
the blue odds when he dies.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Time to vote.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, keep in mind there's a couple of seconds latency. Give another 3, 1, 2, 3. No.
Oh, I didn't.
Maybe she.
Oh, I didn't vote yet. I made either.
Oh, I voted.
I didn't get the vote.
I don't even know what the question is. I saw Anus and I clicked. I don't even know what the question is. I just saw Anus click.
That's all for round
Oh, man,
one.
my
Here's
jaw
the scoreboard.
I'm gonna win this. I'm not gonna win this. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm not gonna win
I
this.
think going third.
Wow. All right.
Red and
I'm
third.
second to last.
It's now
Alright.
time for round two.
Hey, we'll get
Everything
my
is
act together.
worth
Come on.
double, twice as much.
Red making a comeback to the channel.
I don't know. Very uninspired, but I tried. I
Okay,
tried.
it's time for some quiplashing. The first prompt is the title of a never-released Jimmy Buffett song. Okay, voting time. Pick your favorite.
I have to go with that one. Amy! There she is!
I'm in love, we missed you.
Hello! How are you?
Hello, love.
He's here. There he is.
And next, something upsetting
Amy,
you could
do
say
you
to the
wanna
cable guy as he installs your television
I was
service.
making fun of another British person on accident.
Voting
Hey,
time.
wait, what does it say about me? What is this? What the hell, man? That's Sakura is here lurking like a meme.
Sakura, are you here?
Sakura's here.
Sakura, show yourself. Ooh!
Stop voting for Gunther and True Hate.
That has to be Sakura.
It has to be.
Next
My
up,
Britishness was
a
offended.
weird physical way to greet someone. Time to vote.
This is weird. Actually, I had a cousin who had a very inappropriate way to greet other guys. He goes, "How you doing?" And he just cups your. He goes, "How you doing, man?" But it's not no homo. He just does it. How you doing, man? And I'm like, Dude!
What the hell?
A weird way to greet someone. A weird physical way to greet someone. Yeah, it's just like of my cousin.
Name for
He
a
does.
restaurant. Vote on your devices.
I'm getting on the plane right now. Really? Come, are you coming here? Are you coming here? Come.
Let's go!
That's it.
That's it.
Oh, check out the shirt he got me.
Oh yeah.
It's me. But it's mirrored. I know. Let's have Luke. Oh, okay. Thank you for voting for me, and I'm the winner.
I like that one.
Next one. It's not the heat. It's not the humidity. It's the blank. Time to vote.
Ah, you would.
I would.
You should have.
You should have.
You should have. When he landed, I told you on this. I told you to do it. Do it now. Put the cookie down. Put the cookie down.
Put the Moscow down,
Put
love.
the Moscow down now.
It's more Australian.
Get to the chopper.
Somebody
You're doing
does
an
with his free
Austrian, I'm
time.
doing Australian accent here.
What do you survive?
It's
That
voting
was free
time.
Stealing more eggs. It's the bunny. It's with the bunny. I kind of like both those answers.
Put that Moscow down now. Get to the chopper. Let's do some Scooby again.
You can't take a chopper.
Oh
my yoink, Vloggy, let's get out of here.
Okay.
Already just murdering. You got a flash.
Splash.
And next is the name of a fast food restaurant in the Stone Age.
Okay, how about that?
I know what I don't want to sway anyone, but I'm voting for that 'cause that's awesome.
Yabba dabba ooga ooga. I like that. No! Meet here! You guys didn't like that! That's so awkward! Meet here! It's so good! Yabba dabba ooga ooga!
Oh, meet here.
Next up,
Mickey, I
come up with
got
the name of a country that doesn't exist.
Alright.
Malta.
Vote on your devices.
Damn it. Why did someone put Malta? Damn it.
We exist! Oh my jaw hurts.
Oh, that was you?
Yes! Alright. Eat that cup of tea. Wait now. Don't bully Malta.
Round 2
Do the
is
Maltese
now
down.
complete.
Let's finish this,
Let's
and
see
then you
who
do the Maltese
completed it
impression,
well.
alright?
Do
We
I
talk.
know the Maltese impression?
Yeah, do the Maltese impression, like what you've seen from people,
Okay.
from me. Oh, where am I now? Oh, third place. Ooh.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm second.
Yeah, you're second.
Okay.
The last
And
flash.
now round 3,
I
the
like Vloggy's
last
good lash.
lash. Point values are tripled, and you'll all be answering the same prompt this time.
Alright, so
The prompt is: come up with a new dessert that contains the name of a U.S. state.
Oh, I'm not clever enough for this.
oh man.
Alright.
I don't know.
Alright, we'll go.
I tried. I barely know the states by heart. So I have to think hard. Choose B. What? What are you talking about? Choose B.
Let's see the responses. Vote with your votes now.
Oreos, chocolate Wally, U.S., orange blood, I didn't answer. Seattle, shoot, that's not a state.
That's not a state. That's not a state. I'd send Louisiana.
No, I mean, Louisiana's a state.
Alright, yeah.
I don't know why they put this.
I'd hope. Alright, let's go. Just looking at the answers there.
There's like one answer that has the name of a U.S.
No! I did a poo-poo! No! I misclicked on the first one, then I thought I'd click again to undo it. Then I tapped
just
again.
voted it 3 times?
Yes! And it wasn't even a good one. Sorry. You're gonna love this, whoever came up with that answer. Let's see. I'm sorry. I know it was good. That
I'm
was
the
good.
only one to put a state in the name!
Yeah, Ohio. Say Ohio, no?
Ohio's a state.
Ohio.
Ohio? Is that
Ohio's. I don't know, I tried.
If you get top answer, would be so upset.
I'm not, I already. Wait. Woo! I got better than you did.
I didn't even know what state you were talking about. I saw
Ohio! Oh, it's true. But I tried to deserve. Amy's in the audience.
Okay. Did the dot get the most answers?
Really? Are you kidding me with the dot? I voted that one 2 times by mistake.
Oh my god.
Saranya, hello!
That's all.
Say hello to Saranya.
Hello, Saranya.
There you go.
Hello, I swear it's been hello. Oh man.
Oh, Gishi beat you now as well. 2 seconds. Ooh, red.
Red killed it anyway.
But I voted 3 times for red.
Yeah, that's true. Go ahead and say 2 of us answered that last question, right? Just want to point that out.
Pokemon battle?
Pokemon battle time?
Right, Pokemon battle. We'll come back to this again.
Yeah, we'll do a Pokemon battle.
But now
And
it's time to humiliate him once again. It's time for his hourly humiliation.
How about with Amy? That's true, Amy.
Hey, Abby.
And a lot of people should. Do you want to keep doing this? I mean, a lot of people just showed up.
What?
I mean, like a bunch of people just showed up. Amy
There's
and
Abby.
Saranya and-
How is everyone? Yes, again, my announcement. Every now and then I have to remind everyone that I'm going on Twitch. The link is down in the description, alright? I'm going there. I'm going. This is just me, my goodbye party. And it was a nice way to go out with a bang with having my buddy Drew here with me. You know, we'll start the game again. As if, bye, have a great time.
Hey, VloggyBuddy.
If we're not doing again. We're not doing again. We're going to play some Pokemon now. We're going to switch again. We're gonna switch to Pokemon Life. Here we go. Twitching.
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 Oh!
Hold on. 3DS. Switching back to the 3DS. Blah, blah, blah. And we're here. Hello. There we go. So glad you're streaming it. Yeah, but I'm going on Twitch. I'm back, but I'm gonna be on Twitch. This was just my goodbye party. Goodbye.
I'm part of the funeral.
You're part of the funeral. I wanted you at my funeral.
Yeah. I'm carrying his casket. Oh, Vloggy!
I wanted you to be there to make a speech for my funeral.
Yeah.
You gave me the shirt.
I gave you a shirt. I put the shirt on your
And
dead
there's
body.
me, look at me, and the dead body with the leaf.
Look at the leaf. No
This is his
pantalon.
artwork.
Yes.
I'm back, Vloggy. Welcome back.
Da-da-da.
I'm gonna trash through one more time, and then we're gonna play some Whiplash again. This is the usual drill. You know how it is.
One
You
by
know how it is.
one move.
All right.
One move is
so,
all I can spare.
all right, here we go.
How do we do?
Time to beat Vloggy.
Yeah,
To what's that? To
Tone touch.
Oh,
Switch.
Wow. Oh yeah, when I met Drew, I told him we're gonna meet in the square. And it auto-corrected the word square to, I don't know, what did it auto-correct?
Squidette or something?
Squidire or something, I don't know. And it's like, what's a squidire? It auto-corrected it to a word that doesn't exist.
I thought you were speaking Maltese to me.
PG, you're too good at battling. We'll see. I'll show you. Look at the cutscene. Look at the cutscene. That's you and me. Look at us. Alright, let's go.
Hey, I'm waiting here.
Alright, hang on. I'm getting excited now.
I wonder who these people are on my list. I don't have any friends.
No, I think they're just random names.
This one's called Oh Shit. Why? How is that a random name?
Show it!
These are random names? It says,
No, it can't be an all random.
it says oh God.
It doesn't work.
Screen.
It doesn't.
Oh my God.
It doesn't work.
It's that one's Oh Shit next one's Lady Hentai.
Okay. I think it's something to do with the street pass. I think you pass around people.
You get a lot of dirty people in Malta.
Maybe you were on the plane. I don't know. You played it at the airport. Alright, so let's go to the festival plaza. I'm gonna have to cover your. Gonna have to cover this again so you don't see what's what. Alright, there you go.
Just a little. Hey guys,
Alright, so, battle? How about a double battle?
what does that mean? Oh, two at the same time?
Two at the same time.
Oh, let's go.
Alright,
Wait, I
so
clicked
link,
single, I gotta
link
go back.
battle, double battle. I'm sending you the invite, don't do anything, I'm just sending you the invite.
Okay.
You just stay there.
Stay there and do as I'm told.
Do as I'm told. Alright, I'm gonna trash you at this one for sure.
I'm gonna mess up your world. You and your cheap Pokemon tactics.
Alright.
I am the Pokemaster!
Just accept.
I did!
Okay, accepting, please wait. You're a
Judge
question.
me?
Ah, okay. I thought you were playing about.
Playing
A boot.
Playing a boot.
A boot.
Speaking of...
Who decides will win? Alright, let the other player decide. You decide.
Yeah, I'll decide things for you.
You decide now. I don't know. I don't know what it is.
I don't even know
What you gonna decide anyway?
Decide myself, or I guess I'm deciding myself?
Decide yourself. I don't know what's gonna happen.
I don't know. Please say battle rules. Double battle rules normal. Oops, wait, what does this mean?
I don't know.
Double battle flat rules, number of Pokemon 4.
No, make it with the number.
Oh, this
do it with
normal
6.
lets social Pokemon allowed.
Okay.
But you don't have any special ones.
No. No fans. Meep.
Alright, whatever. This one. Normal, sure.
Alright, here we go.
We're pulling out your Mewtwo's and
No. Alright, so here we go.
literally only have 6 Pokemon.
Here we go. It's what's with the meep?
Meep?
I don't know.
Rawr.
I don't know.
Rawr.
Let the battle begin.
Roar.
Drew done.
Vloggy done!
Please check for okay. You don't know what's coming out first.
Well, I know what's coming out first.
You don't know what's
Your
coming out first.
dirtbag Pokemon. Scum. Bag. Scum.
Alright, here we go.
Oh,
I can't believe I actually found you streaming. Haha, by the way, I forgot about your comeback, man. Yeah, it's today. But I'm going on Twitch, so this is just my goodbye stream on YouTube. Bye, YouTube. Suck it.
have a nice time.
Bye, have a great time. Yeah, I'm done with YouTube. This is just me saying bye, have a great time and everything.
Yeah, sure, whatever this is, or whatever this is. Come on.
8 years later.
2 hours
Alright, here.
later.
2 hours later. Here we go. This is hype music.
I knew it.
You didn't know it.
I knew it.
You didn't know
I
it.
knew Gengar was coming out.
You didn't know it. Here we go. Oh, okay. Here we go. Yeah, everyone is. Well, yeah, I agree, Amy. I agree. Everybody. Now we need to drag through 2 quizzes around. All right, what's going on here? No!
Sleep, peasant.
No!
I'm the superior ghost Pokemon.
No!
Gengar's not about to use his hypnosis. Like I know he wanted to do. Not very effective.
Told you.
I wonder why that wasn't very effective. Even though it still almost killed you. Whatever. I'll live.
That was just a decoy. Alright, let's go. It's fine now, look at that.
Yeah, it's because I'm here.
Ah! Who does that?
Yeah, just here.
Yeah, you know. Whoa!
Oh, get burned, son.
Did he shoot the flame out of
He
his...
shot the flame out of his you, if you know what I mean.
Okay. Alright. we go.
Oh, muck. I need muck and I stuck.
Muck.
I want this Pokemon dead. I want his wife dead. I want his...
Let's try this.
Ugh, quit upping yourself! Scumbag!
No!
He's my child. Nobody likes you much. Oh! Burning my holy fire! Yeah, you were juicing yourself up for a big one-hitter quitter!
Alright. Enough now! Enough, I say! Enough!
Zangief. You look like Zangief. Don't send out your Street Fighter Pokemon to me.
I should have pulled the Zangief actually. It's okay. We got this. We still got this. I'm doing very well though. Well done. Well done, easy.
What the heck? I don't even know what this does. I honestly forgot what this move does. Let's find out.
Let's do this. Come on. Crap.
Hold on. Did it fit me something?
To weave in Vloggy. Are you getting Poke Guy? Are you getting Let's go. Let's go! I wonder why they call it like that. Let's go! Pokemon, let's go!
What did you do to me? Oh, what is his name? Oh, that's poison. I didn't poison you. Oh, you scumbag! Don't do that stupid move on me. How many things are you cooking?
There we go.
Aha! There it is. Jesus Christ! You and your scumbag Pokemon.
Okay, I was left take you both on.
2 versus 1.
Can you do that?
I don't think you can do that.
Can you do that? Okay guys, seriously, can you do that? If not, yes, take us both on. I don't think you can.
I don't think that you can do that. I think it's the same.
How about a battle royale? Can we do that? Like 3 of us.
I don't think you can do that either.
Yeah, on a battle royale.
Like 3 people fight at the same time?
We'll see, we'll see. Here we go.
Oh no, that's not good for me.
Nope. Yes!
One hitter quitters, man. No! God, I hate your Pokemon!
Shouldn't have money left now. Come on, 1 probably? 1 left? 2? Alright. I need to be fast. Yeah, 2 left at least. 3? Okay. Alright. Now then. We go here. We go here. Alright, let's see.
Got this.
The fight is that, so she will work.
Get out of
Whoa!
here. Get out of here.
Whoa! I'm so sorry!
God.
cheating. What's he doing? What the heck? Alright. You got this. Here comes your favorite Pokemon. Here comes. Again, it's also an illusion.
Oh, the sword's not here. Alright. One round.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, here it goes. Here it goes.
Take some of your medicine.
Yeah.
Did Sakura message you?
Yeah.
She said you can't make it?
No, I can't until later.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright. That's good. Good stuff. I don't know. Trying to think.
Oh, dude, thank you, somebody's supporting me. Thank you.
Are you having in my butt? Come on, man. I don't know what this is gonna do. I'm gonna try it.
Uh-oh. There's Z-powers on me. If you're gonna use confusion again.
This might fail, but... Oh, wow!
Lord!
It worked. I thought you had to be asleep to do that. So it worked, okay.
Oh, Polyrath! Can I do this while I'm asleep?
So you're sleeping right now,
Yeah.
Okay. That's so weird. Okay.
Yeah.
That's so weird. I thought you were sleeping, man.
I woke up to kill you.
Oh, he's up again now.
Oh yeah, I'm not asleep. I guess I woke up that round.
That's so strange. Oh, that's not fair either. That's cheating.
Oh, it says the guy with a cheater Pokemon. 2-on-1, that's
Right, so
cheater.
fight.
Any day now, it's 2-on-1. Shouldn't take you that long.
We can do it if you want. We can have a 2 against 2. Yeah.
Oh, you put me to sleep.
Yes!
Of course.
That means that this move is gonna fail then. Now I have an idea actually. Alright, I'm gonna play around with you now. I'm gonna play around now.
Yeah. $1 million.
The status is bad.
This thing is terrible. Any day now, it's only 2-on-1. If you could hurry this along. Oh my! Look how much time he takes. He's fighting one Pokemon that's asleep.
That's my sister.
Oh,
My sister is my mom's account.
oh! Hey, Vloggy sister. Oh, look at me. I'm still asleep. Shocking. Oh my gosh.
You're gonna love this. You're gonna love this.
Oh, I hate you. I hate you so much. I'm a strong sleeper.
He's swearing right now. Curse. Curse.
You're putting curse on me?
No, he's cursing himself.
Oh. What move is that? Oh, it's attack. Wait, who? How is he hurt already? That didn't hurt him.
Come on. Right, the time is right.
Sleeping, just a sleepy little Pokemon. And he's anyhow.
Oh, rip.
Ripperoni, the San Francisco tree.
How are we gonna do this? 2 against 1.
That's not a thing, you can't do that.
No, I think we can. Battle Royale.
No way.
Mm-hmm.
Pokemon, nope, I wish. Nikki doesn't have Pokemon.
Alright, let's see. I'm gonna move this to the side so we can see. That's us again. Look how pretty we are.
No one will save videos, battles, stupid.
Save it. Thank you very much. Saving.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So how do we do this? Speaking of games, you should stream them. Stream what?
Speaking of games, you should stream.
Oh, talking trash.
Yeah,
Nikki, Vlog came back. Your turn. What? What? All right. So, can we have? How can we have? Can you widen the camera for true? Yeah, I know, right? I should. Let's see if I can do that. Actually, hold on.
Remind me, just get some German stuff.
But then there's the...
Get some fine British chocolate, eh?
Alright, something like that.
Fresh from the Queen?
Alright. So, fine, no, fight me, Vloggy. So how do we do this? How can we go for, can we do...
I mean, a 2v2 is a thing, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Let's see.
What about 2v1?
Yes, I would love to do that. I don't know how, though. So, game will be saved, okay?
I read for Comic-Con, though. Wait. Instead of doing what? What?
Yeah, because she sells, merch.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's why she's not streaming?
I don't know. Connected to the internet? Come on, game. Why do it take so long to connect to the internet?
Waiting.
Are you connecting as well to the internet?
I'm connected. I mean, what else to do?
Wait, you connected to my Wi-Fi?
This one? No.
No, you just connected to the internet. So you guys switch to the internet.
I don't think I'm connected to the internet at all. I'm probably just connected to you via being next to you.
Yeah, probably. Hold on.
Easy Wi-Fi.
So, right now, if I go on battle right now, battle spot. Battle. This is not what I'm looking for. This is not how it's done. No. So you can do battle royale, yes, but
Things that they don't have any wireless.
Probably takes me forever to find out. So, connected to the internet. These are the number of people. These are the list of people that's online. Guest list is fresh. Updated.
Hentai girl on there? There's no access point.
Yeah, because you need to connect to my internet now.
Yeah,
but the thing is, I know I broke them. Alright, so let me just add these guys. Let me add Poke Guy and Ali. But how do I add them? Hold on, I forgot how it's done.
Oh, Nikki's computer's broken. Oh, that sucks.
Well, whatever is wrong with your computer, okay, make sure that don't ask Store to fix it for you, because you can't even get Outbreak Door, so...
PC Master Race, I can help you. I know all.
Alright, so...
How do I connect to the internet?
I have Red, and he's online. I see Red. He's online. I see him. But I need to add you. I need to add you as a friend.
You don't have me as a friend?
But no, I don't have you as a friend. I need to add you to friend list.
Hell?
I should, actually, because we have fought online before.
Yeah, we fought online. I'm definitely a friend. Or so I thought.
So
I just
there you are. It's just, of course, you're online.
I just came
you need to
visit
connect to the internet. You need to connect to the internet.
Make me in the internet.
Let me internet you. Is this the home button?
Yeah.
It's so light.
Yeah, man.
It's so light.
I got that new hotness.
Alright, so
German
what you need to do is, how do you connect to the internet? Is this it? No, this is the browser. Sorry!
There's our Game Boy expert over here.
Oh, this is it? This must be, no, this is themes. Where's the settings?
I don't be knowing what you know about things.
Settings, there they are, settings. Oh, I need to close the game.
Yeah.
Internet him. How do I win a date with Mr. True Vloggy? Is he a stream giveaway? Yes. yes. I'm giving him away.
If he beats me at Pokemon, he gives me away.
But the competition is only open to Europe except UK. Because of Brexit.
Oh! Brexit shade.
Alright, internet settings. Connection settings. I'm gonna have to set up a new connection, then you can just delete it. Manual setup. Search for access point.
Search for access. Put in
Please wait.
Vloggy's Wi-Fi password. Pants not required. 6969. There we go.
Good. Look away. I'm gonna put my password in. Alligator1.
Yeah. Good call.
Okay, connection performs. This stuff, whatever. Pull the Brexit card. No mercy in this battle.
Oh.
Testing connection to the internet.
The beach is that way.
The beach is everywhere.
The
beach is everywhere.
Beach is everywhere. Literally, I could run to the beach in any direction right now.
It's true. So, is True online now? You need to be in the game, I think. Alright, so, how do we do this? How do we do...
How do we do game?
How do we game, please?
How we game?
How we please True?
It's like that restaurant.
Friend list. So, I have... I already have Red on. Do you want to battle us, Abby? Do you want to like 2-on-2? Because we can do a battle royale, but you and me against them. So obviously, you have to take my word that I won't attack your Pokemon, and you won't.
And I won't backstab you immediately.
Yeah.
I'll be back, Vloggy.
Hold on, I'll be back, Vloggy. Just need to charge my phone. Love you guys. Hope everyone's great. Yes, thank you so much.
Okay, Nikki, we'll be here.
Thank you so much. All right, let me just text real quick. Text.
Amy, love. Amy, I haven't talked to you in forever. Are you still here? Amy, you live like an hour away. Why aren't you here? I flew like 700 hours to get here. Give me my German chocolate. Ow. I'm logged in. I think.
Say hello to Mariana. Just look at the camera and say hello, Mariana.
Hello, Mariana. Who's Mariana?
That's all you need to know.
All right.
It's her. It's her. That's her. That's her. All right. So let me just add. Okay. Abby says chocolate. I asked Abby if she wants to play with us, and she says chocolate. All right. I'm gonna add Abby. I'm gonna add Abby just in case. That's it. That's tich, actually, because it's mirrored.
That's Maltese.
Internet. Alright, so, fine. I'll get me a ticket, lol.
Fine, let me
get your FC.
Yeah.
Abby needs your FC as well. Oh, that's right. Okay, so I'm just gonna... Hold on. Let me just register her.
Whoa. You don't just ask for FC on the first date. Hold on, guys.
Hold on. This is my... that is my... My friend code over there. See that? Pause the stream. Pause the stream. I'm telling you. Pause the stream.
It's that button that looks like this.
See?
How my hands?
There's the pause. Alright, and in the meantime, I'm going to input the friend code that you posted earlier. I'm going to scroll up real quick. So, there's just a friend, internet. Alright, so Mariana must be like, what shirt is he wearing?
Oh yeah! I don't think everybody has Amy seen the shirt?
Amy, look!
Stand in front of the mic so I can see it.
Like this?
I don't know, like in front of the mic so you're not like blinded by it. Like that. Oh, you can kind of see it there. Does everybody see this?
That's an artist rendition of me.
Custom
with my leaf.
With his leaf. Custom Vloggy t-shirt.
Alright, so
you can't get that anywhere, by the way.
Alright, so let me just scroll up a little bit. Alright, there's Abby's so 5. Oh, I can't see, man. Can you read it for me? 5?
Who? Where? What?
Up at the top. 5 3 4
5 3 4 7 7
wait,
5.
No, wait.
5 3 4 3.
5 3.
Oh, I thought you got that already.
3.
Okay, 7 7 5 9.
7 7 5 9.
3 6 1 8.
1 8. Got it.
Teamwork.
Boom. Friend code isn't correct.
5 3 4 3.
Hold on, let's try again. 5 3
4 3.
Yes.
7 7 5 9. 3 6 1 8.
Yeah, that's why I put in. So you gave it correctly. You trolled us.
Trolling.
You make us trolling
us. Yeah. Whatever that means.
You know, it's like have you ever seen Friends? They made up the. Oh, there we go. Yeah, 5 3 4 3 7 7 5 8. So.
Oh, see, not 5 9 5 8.
So 5 8.
3 6 1 8.
This friend code system is so bad. I hate. Can't wait for them to remove it. Ah, it's Abby.
Abby's calling.
That's you.
Hello, Abby.
There we go. All right. So now what do we do? How do we go about doing?
Abby. Okay. Abby was calling.
What's doing? What? Alright, so am I still online?
I'm on the internet.
Connected to the internet. So I have to reconnect. So what you do is once you're up, go to Plaza, yes, and then there's a that one. Okay. Internet. Alright, so we did it. Now then.
We're internetable.
We're internetable.
In order to record an update is required.
Oh! Are you kidding me?
Hold on, my awesome Game Boy.
Game Boy. He calls it a Game Boy.
Game Boy. It's not anything.
Do you actually own a Game Boy?
I have all the Game Boys.
Alright.
I still have my gray brick. Wait, is it updating? What the hell? He's doing it?
No, you have to get out of the game and go into the system settings. So
Sweet
we're gonna have to leave it.
Let's do a quick flash and then. Let's do a quick flash and then I'll update all the quick flash.
While I'm here, I want to battle. What's his name? I want to battle. What's his name? I want to battle.
You battle.
All right, can we do a 2-on-1 or something? Let's see. What's this? Who's online? Refreshing. Updated. There's John from friends list. Oh, sorry. So that's probably red. But I don't see. I don't see Abby. Let me battle John. Oh, wait, how do I do this? This is guest ranking. What? Guest this. Ah, so this is just alright. Okay. So
I love that you're
squirm. Oh, so that's me. True. This is a great photo op. That's you.
Hey! Quit taking photos of me while I'm not in the game, you pervert. Taking upskirts of me. Alright, my system's updating. My Game Boy's best.
Game Boy. John is you? John, alright. Redigo is me. Alright. John is Abby. Abby is John. Alright. Whatever. Whatever. Alright, so then, how do I battle? I don't know.
You don't even know how to Pokemon.
Do you even Pokemon, bro? So, battle? Visit the battles? No, it's not.
Play on my phone. Nobody wants to play with me?
Guest list. VIP list.
I'm gonna tweet some stuff.
Guest list. Alright, so I see them. So let me go on Redigo, for example. I click Redigo, then it says battle rank. What's all this?
Block Redigo, good call.
What do you do? How do you do this? Guest ranking questionnaires, guest rankings. How do we battle? That is the question. How do I do this?
Emily got new hair. Super good. I like it.
Stop stalking people.
I'm not stalking.
On live stream.
I wasn't stalking anybody. I don't know what you're talking about.
Alright, listen, if I invite me to a double battle. Okay, so he has to participate.
Double battle.
I don't know how this is done. I don't know how he's doing this, but thank you. Thank you. Look at my hair.
Why does this stupid thing update when I'm
It's almost there anyway.
Yeah.
Accepting. Please wait. Alright, so this is not a, this is a double battle. This is just me versus you then, right?
Watch the UK. Come on. Come on. I'm not gonna visit Amy. Block from the UK.
Can you imagine customs from the airport? They're like, no.
Like no. Red said
That's true.
Oh yeah. Hey, Vlog. Red said you can't come into our country.
That's true.
That's true.
I will use 4. Oh, okay. So I can use 6 and you're gonna use 4? Oh man.
Wow, he says you suck. He says you suck. Oh my goodness.
Ready to go deciding battle rules. Come on. Decide the battle rules.
Oh, my system's updated. I'm on Pokemon again.
Alright.
Whatever, I'm gonna play Harvest Moon while you play that. I don't need your game.
Alright, let's do a multi-battle. How do you do it though? How do you do that? Can somebody help me out? How do we do that? Stop.
What?
How do we do that? How do I do it? Can you do that, Pokeguy? Can you just cancel? Ugh, I keep saying Pokeguy now. Red.
Oi,
Red.
mate.
Red. Or in Maltese, Ahmar.
Oi, mate. Get out of the pub. Come help your mate. He's bloody.
Yes, can you please make or do I need to host it? Do I need to host it? I don't know how it's done.
Oh, I need to swap rules. You're swapping the rules like an Englishman.
I got burnt by jellyfish yesterday.
Oh,
let me show you. Let me show you.
Battle scars.
Look. I got burned by jellyfish.
It was at least
only babies try.
It was at least. You can't see how wide my arms are going.
Oh, I dropped my
Like
slides.
that. It was this big. It came right at us.
I jumped in front of it.
He jumped in front of me, hero style.
So I get burned. So
That Enrique Iglesias song
okay.
playing in the background. Baby.
Multi-battle? Is that it? Alright. Yeah, okay, I found you. Are you online? Go online.
I'm literally playing Zelda because nobody was inviting me.
Come on! We're waiting for you.
I thought you were waiting now.
Where is just this talking and dancing and whatever? Come on! Come on! Let me crack my neck. Alright. I'm almost there.
I'm basically almost there.
Okay. Come on.
Come on.
Alright, so.
Wait, so are we fighting 2-on-1?
No, apparently yes, we're 2-on-2. So we're gonna do this. 2-on-2. Let me do this. I'm gonna do this.
Nerdy computer asking me how I feel today.
I don't know, but go to the nerdy computer. That's the Pokédex. It talks now.
Whatever.
Alright, so let me see if I'm gonna send you so link battle and multi battle.
Touch you over here, I'm gonna touch you while you're not. Ichika.
So refresh, update it. So I see. Is that you?
No, it shouldn't be my name.
So who's Tom?
I'm not Tom. I'm definitely True. Hey, who's this guy? DJ Mix It Up. Hey, that guy's me. My same rose.
Hold on. Battle. Link battle.
It did hurt. It fell in the water and went.
What? Is that you?
No, that's not my name.
Actually, it is. But
Well, alright. Well, click it. See if it does. See if it invites me.
Spain. No, it's not you.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't have Spain.
Oh, there we go. No. I found Redigo. I found Tom. I only found Redigo. Are you guys online? Best stream ever. Are you guys online? I only found Redigo right now.
I'm talking to girls online.
Oh, you're not online.
Why don't you say something?
I just realized. Alright, so battle, go online. the True and Vloggy Show. We're gonna host the radio show now as well.
Hey.
Yes.
Gotta get my radio voice
Welcome
on.
to 88.1, the True and Vloggy Show on 98.1.
True, I got your weather today. It's gonna be hot because we're here. You know what I'm saying?
Coming up next, it's tra-la-la. Ooh la la then. Tra-la-la. Alright, so link battle?
Okay, I'm almost on the
battle?
internet.
Oh, it's still there.
I'm
Okay.
still checking data.
So I found Redigo, I found True, but I don't see you, Abby or John.
No, Vloggy, True Life, no, Vloggy. Oh, I see how it is. I see how it is, Happy.
The Vloggy and True Show.
Ba-dum-bum.
And I can imagine, you know how the Warner Bros. It was just our faces. I should do that.
I'm connected.
Yes, you are, but I cannot find you, Abby.
Abby
or John or whatever.
Abby.
I don't see you.
Is Abby John?
Yes, should come up, but I only have True and Redigo here. I'm gonna give you a couple of seconds, otherwise it's just both of us against him.
Yeah, we're gonna smash.
Alright. Alright, found you, John, True, Redigo, confirm. It's coming. John can't communicate.
Battle
now.
to the
It
death.
says John can't communicate right now. Player who couldn't communicate was removed. Please check the list again.
Ow.
I found you for a second and you leave.
It's because the internet's on the other side. The British put the internet on the other side of the road, so the internet goes that way and our internet goes.
Oh, do the Maltese impression, by the way.
Ah!
Come on, do it.
No, my Maltese turns into Italian so fast. It's like, hello, my name is Vloggy, I come from Malta, but also I like pepperoni.
That's Maltese sound.
Maltese?
Here we go, it's happening!
Oh.
Boom, boom, boom! Here we go! You're requesting a multi-battle.
Call me Abby.
Alright, we'll call you Abby.
Abby Dabby.
Alright, you are requesting it, so you should
I'm
guys,
accepting.
accept, please. True, I don't give to consent to smash me.
Yeah, I regretted saying that when I said it. So.
Oh, here we go.
We're on the same page.
Who decides something will be selected for a multi-battle result? Decide myself. I'm gonna decide.
Yeah, we'll decide. The True and Vloggy Show. Take care of those rules, don't you? Or just stay in your seat.
Stay tuned after these commercial breaks.
Buy Kit! Hit! Buy German
Sponsored by Hit.
Sponsored by Hit.
Eat them, then you poop them.
Left side.
Confirm. Eat them and turn them into poop. Alright, so
Team.
participating team. Choosing my team. Alright, so I'm gonna show you my team.
Oh, yeah. Our team's so much better than the team I have. Yeah, I only have 6 Pokemon too, but we're gonna win because they suck. Alright, I hope they cover that up right there. Ignore the man behind the mirror.
Alright, so okay. So it's you two against us.
Ooh, it's gonna get dirty.
Come on, you and me, we need to
Oh, we got this.
perform strategy.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
here we go.
Even though they can see your Pokemon, they're gonna see your moves.
No, the move's on the bottom screen.
Oh, they only see your top screen.
Yeah, I
Oh,
disabled the second
okay,
screen.
okay.
The second screen is that one actually.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah. Fuck, look. Let's see. Look, bottom screen. If I want to switch it on. See?
Oh.
Make it off. What's going on here? Please decide teams. Oh, okay. What's this? Team A? What do I do? Alright, I'm gonna enable the screen real quick because I don't know what to do. I got this.
Click it on. I think it clicks the person, and then it puts that person as Team A1.
Oh,
right?
okay.
Oh,
so
yeah. See, there you go.
True.
So make us.
And team A2 is me. Alright, so alright. And B1 is Redigo. What?
Your character. I can't say it, but it's just.
What's wrong?
It reminds me of that thumbs up we've been giving each other. You know, that's very specific thumbs up we've been giving each other. Inside
I
joke.
gave him a 10.
Inside jokes.
Alright, disable the bottom screen now.
Yeah.
Here we go. True and Vloggy versus. Alright, this is gonna happen.
Abby, who are we fighting again?
Oh, there's everyone's Pokemon.
Abby and
But we
Red.
decide who's going first. I was thinking I send this one first.
Oh yeah, I like that. And
then doesn't matter what.
Doesn't matter. I'll send my boy here first for that little added goodness.
Oh, 3 Pokemon cancer only. So just be careful.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go with those three.
Those three? Okay, so I'm gonna go him definitely. What do you think?
With that one, use the, you know.
Yeah.
This one doesn't have it. It does have it. I don't understand.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know if it'll work. But whatever. I mean, you can use that to our advantage if he uses it.
Yeah.
But whatever.
Okay, I'm gonna go with him. I like him.
Alright, we're coming, guys. We're coming. It's the ultimate battle. Strategery. Confirm, ready? Alright,
I'm ready.
confirming. That's 3-on-3 though. That sucks. Wish it wasn't full 6, but whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever. Here we go!
Team red hat and no hat versus team two red hats.
Here we go!
Look at our stupid challengers.
Whoa,
I don't want to
they
pick
got
sides,
Blissey.
but they're gonna lose. Whoa, a Charizard? What is this? Pokemon Blue?
Look at us, look at us. We're so synchronized.
They have a nurse and a 50-year-old Pokemon.
Alright, here we go.
Hey, for
Careful, because this guy is...
so
Oh, I mean,
yeah,
yeah, you can do
on
that. Yeah, you can do that.
yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah. Don't worry about what's happening here.
I'm trying to refrain from saying certain words. Alright, here we go.
Yes, I will use
Tackle.
I'll use tackle. Oh, wait, what did he just do?
Uh-oh.
Is he using
Mega
an
Evolve.
X-Move already on it?
Mega Evolving.
Wait, that's a thing?
Of course, Mega Evolve. You never tried Mega Evolve.
I don't know what that means.
He's a stronger Charizard now.
Okay.
He's doing Dragon Dance.
Why are we allowing this?
He's doing
Why are
Dragon-
we allowing Mega Evolve?
No, you can't do Mega Evolve.
That sounds like a cheating thing.
Oh!
No bueno. What the hell is that move?
That means each time you switch Pokemon, you get some damage now because there's invisible rocks hanging out. Yeah, careful.
Criminy.
Let's do this.
I'm gonna try this situation here. Oh. Meet you. What is this? What is that?
It's a ghost type. Oh, it's a shiny one. Is that legit? That's good. That's a nice shiny.
Oh, good. He attacked you.
Yeah, but I took the damage. Critical hit. Wow, you got a critical hit.
Yes! Night, you mega jerk!
Yeah. Thank you for that.
Wait, what just failed?
Oh, he lost me, so my toxin didn't work now.
Oh!
That was a waste of attack.
A little bit of a backfire, but...
Yeah, no worries. No worries.
I'm gonna do this. Instead of, I'm gonna do this to him because it's good.
I would...
Or maybe keep, that to...
Yeah, I could. Yeah, I could.
What's your time to die? My boy Hunter doesn't know how to die. Yeah, I know. He's gonna... Give me those delicious dreams. I don't know whether that is legit.
If it's a shiny, legit shiny, because it's a shiny. It's nice.
How would you even tell it was shiny? It's such a dirty looking Pokemon.
Yeah, it's supposed to be yellow, kind of yellow.
Oh, I'm not fighting that in single player. That was a pain in the ass.
Right now it's 2 against 1, because one of them is totally sleeping. We should take advantage of that as much as we can. Oh, he's doing a sword dance.
Okay. We gotta deal with that. We gotta do that, man. Can you do anything to that?
Right now I'm just
Okay.
making strong.
Yeah.
I don't know. I hope this works.
Make it strong. I'm about to get wrecked here.
Alright. Strategy number 2.
Oh, yep. Yep. I get the feeling I'm about to get worked. Yep.
Ah, man, well, there's those 2 sword dance.
Yep.
No worries, I got this. Now watch me. Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay-nay.
Oh, did you see the nay-nay right there? Yeah, eat it, little Pikachu.
Yeah, it's a Pikachu ripoff.
Yeah. Nobody likes copyrighted Pikachu ripoffs.
Only they are only they are allowed to
Yeah,
rip off Pikachu.
Only Nintendo can rip off Pikachu. Oh, I like this. For that guy. Yeah or nay?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
Anybody who turns on the street just sees 2 guys looking down. Look at this. It's just 2 guys looking down at their crosses.
Come on, they see it's a game. It's a hangout.
We're playing Pokemon.
And you're like, check mine out. I'm like, what's check mine out. Check mine out.
That's looking strong. That's looking strong right there, guys. Very.
What do you think I use this?
Is this gonna be hard enough?
I'm gonna choose my Onyx.
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's keep going.
Here we go.
Be fine, this should be fine. I have a plan.
Oh!
What?
Oh, he woke up.
Alright, it's okay. That's okay.
Wow!
Whoa!
Get some!
Bubble! What? Why did you bubble him? Well, whoa! I thought I didn't kill him! I thought that would finish him off. Why didn't you use a hydro pump or a surf or something like that?
No, I don't have hydro.
You see, that's why I don't like evolving them right away, because they learn their moves. Probably still due to learn it.
Oi. Hey. It's a bit harder.
Hang in there, buddy. Hang in there.
I need you to do something about that, dude.
We're really doing well, actually. Don't worry. So far, so good. Trust me when I say that. Yeah! No, I thought it was you for a second. I thought it was you doing that.
No, I don't have this.
No worries, no worries, no worries.
Oh, it's you?
That's good! That means your Pokemon too.
Yeah.
My stuff is fated, that's no problem. And...
Oh my god!
My defense keeps going up every turn. So... It's gonna be a chore for them to take down my Pokemon. I hope.
I'm just taking one team over and over.
Well, we're gonna be okay. Trust me when I say this. I just did the same thing.
Okay.
What's he doing?
Murdering me?
Well, that should be fine.
Ooh.
Yes! And he got recoil damage.
Okay.
Oh, he's attacking me! Alright, but he's still good. He's still good.
I can fix this. Hope this doesn't work.
Doing the bubble again?
No,
Oh
no.
no! Why did you do it? Well, anyway,
The
whatever.
bubble wouldn't have finished him.
Yeah, it's okay. At least he's not toxic, so... Alright, now what? Oh, I have an idea. We'll see.
I think everybody's abandoned the stream.
Nah, I think because it's so intense right now. Hello, it's Easy Force here. Because it's so intense, everyone's quiet watching. It's absolute silence. Hold on. No, I'm gonna do this on here. Let me show you the move. You know this move.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna do this move here.
Okay.
So that should be okay. And this one should be finished by that now, I think. We'll see.
Alright, I'll go over just in case.
That's okay.
Yep.
It's okay, that's okay. Don't worry. He's on toxic, so it's not gonna last long. There we go. He's done.
There we go.
He's on toxic. Ooh, so close. No worries, no worries. No, let me see what he's gonna take out.
What is that?
Alright, it's a glissaur. Well, it's the... I need you to... take care of that. No, wait. Oh god.
You wanna finish that?
Yes.
Yeah. I got that. Oh yeah, I got that.
I'm worried about the speed of the glissaur though. I'm not so sure about the speed. Let's see.
Ow, Jesus!
Oh! You're done. That's okay. I'm still holding this team together. Sorden, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. We're still good.
Murdered in my own home.
He's done?
He's dead. That's good. But that's still... Is that 2? Or is that 1 left for him, right?
I don't know. I forgot. He's on poison, so he's gonna heal because he's worked the other way around. Poison heals him. It's okay. We're good so far. That's what Pokemon he's got next. Ah, he's got the Chansey or whatever. Oh! Toxapex it's called. Alright. We're good.
Generation 1, I don't approve of these Pokemon.
Let's go. Maple Bunker, alright, that's good. He's protecting himself. But I didn't even attack him, so... he's gonna lose. God dang it.
Oh boy.
I hope he doesn't get a full heal though. Oh, we should be okay.
That one
We might...
do it? You think that's gonna do it?
Oh! Trying to think. What's gonna have to do? Oh, earthquake! Uh-oh. But he's gonna damage the other guy as well.
Yeah, huh? But
How am I doing? Oh, I'm dead. It's okay, we're still good. We're still good. Let me show you why. Those are 2 poison types.
Yeah.
And I have...
Okay. Red and Abby.
And they're all in danger, kind of. Look at their
Yeah, they're all in danger of getting murdered. I'll just be your hype man.
So...
Be the announcer. Be the caster.
I don't know if it's gonna work. Come on.
Oh, Vloggy's in deep dodge here. 2-on-1. But thrives under pressure, as we all know from the 1987 Pokemon Olympics.
Ah, he's got knocked off.
Vloggy took gold. Oh, Vloggy just got slapped real hard by a move. The spiky creature thing just healed itself. Shit.
Crap. I'm not doing well. No, I'm done for. Because I don't have any side. I can try to hang on. We'll see.
Oh,
no, I'm dead. That's it.
Well, clearly our opponents cheated, and that's why they. Oh, we're still alive. But if we lost, clearly they cheated.
No, they're almost full of
Clearly cheaters. Clearly cheaters. We're gonna have the World Pokemon Authority take a look at this match. Start investigations into these 2 Pokemon players.
You're gonna keep struggling.
Widespread rumors of blood doping.
Come on, hang in there. Why is your trainer still there? You should have gone home.
I know, I should be crying right now. By myself alone at night as usual. Oh my god!
Oh, I'm toxic now. Alright, good one. GG. Pepperoni. I'm still alive! still alive. Oh yeah, but poison doesn't affect me. That's right. But yeah, I think he's ground type, so it's not gonna work. I'm gonna try anyway.
Yeah.
He's roosting. Roosting.
Also, juicy. Widespread rumors of steroid abuse among those Pokemon.
Okay. But come on, I held on there. I held on as much as I could.
Oh, good lord.
You lost the round.
Stream over. Nobody beats us in Pokemon.
GG. GG indeed. Oh man, we got wrecked.
Yeah, wrecked.
We got wrecked.
Bad. Not even kind of close.
Now you're gonna have to come back again next year and we'll have to finish them.
Yeah, clearly.
Save the battle? No.
No, what a garbage battle. More like a not battle. You know what I mean?
No.
Jelly bean?
Yes. The battle will end because somebody ended communication, and that's probably you.
It's probably me. Probably me because I'm rage quitting.
Ah, man. Alright, so. Enough of that.
Oy,
Enough. And now, we're going to play some Outbreak. You want to see what it looks like to go online on Outbreak? Do you want to see that?
Oh, jokes. I invented Outbreak.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. That was two of my British team.
Wait, is Abby British too?
I don't know. Are you British? PG. What's PG?
PG, like my new Mon.
PG.
Oh yeah, this Abby person has said PG, let's go.
Pokemon, let's go. PG. I don't know. I don't know. No, the two Pokemon used to be. They're British. The Pokemon.
British Pokemon.
Yes.
Well, let's just say old America comes fighting back. You know what I mean?
PG spoke a guy. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Fair enough. It's my Steam nickname. Oh, do we have any games on Steam we can play together? But can we configure the controllers? Maybe we can play some Castle Crashers. Can we play Castle Clashers? You ever played Castle Crashers?
I don't think so.
Let me see. Let me see if I can get that to run. Castle Crashers. There it is. Can I get my controller to run on this? Let's see. We recommend the controller to play.
C Stream says Steam. Oh, that's my stream nickname, not Steam nickname.
See, did I say Stone?
You said. Yeah,
I'm sorry.
You got hypnotized.
Hypnotoad. Delete. Actually, properties. Refresh. And Castle Crashers. Okay. But it still won't work. I have to delete. Remove.
Oh.
Yes.
Sad.
But even though I'm getting this ready, I don't even know if it's going to work. Add.
Probably won't.
You
can't even get Outbreak to work.
Game capture, we said? Or is it? No, it's window capture. Okay. Okay. There it is. But we need to make sure that we are on top. So, face cam goes order, move up. Oh.
Ho!
Hey!
Hey!
Hop. And, hey Daryl, hello! Yes, I'm alive, yes!
Vloggy is alive and well.
Yes, I'm alive.
I had to come over and give him CPR.
Yes, because the thing is, yes, he was like, hasn't streamed in ages. Is Vloggy alive? And he actually came to check, you see? You see?
I am
how much he cares.
Friend here.
He's the true friend.
True is a true friend. I make sure everybody's alive and well.
We have a problem. I cannot connect two controllers.
Yeah, I didn't think this was gonna work.
Because one of them is for my microphone, the other one's for my camera. And I only have one slot left.
Hey, maybe, what up, Daryl? Maybe just do a Quiplash and then you can ponder while we play.
There's nothing to ponder, it's just... I don't know. I don't know how we can do this. Wireless doesn't work, eh? You have to connect
wireless controller to a PC?
No, no, it doesn't work. Trying to think. What if it's an Xbox controller? Would it work?
The PC?
Still?
I think they can.
What do we need to install stuff?
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how. Because I'm sure it works with like Windows 10 or something.
This is Windows 10.
Yeah, I'm sure they have some kind of connectivity.
Because I do have an Xbox controller, but I don't know if...
Two Xbox controllers?
No, I can one connected with the wire.
Oh, and one is wireless? Yeah, but I don't know how.
I don't know either.
How do you do that?
Let me see. Hold on. Let me see. Google. Are you gonna Google?
It's an Xbox One?
No, it's just 360.
Xbox 360 controller Windows 10.
Alright, hold on.
It's almost like I knew what I wanted. Can you use the 360 controller on Windows 10?
On Steam.
Well, I didn't get that specific. Plug the Xbox. Oh.
What?
Is it, you have to plug the controller in.
Ah, dang it.
Yeah.
So that's not.
How do I connect my? Oh wait! How do I connect my wireless? Make sure you have updated PC with Windows anniversary. The rest runs update your controller. Turn on Xbox wireless controller. Press the controller bind button for 3 seconds and release. You have the updated Windows. Supposedly this works.
Well, I mean, I have to update my Windows every now and then. So.
Well, I'm sure you have. It's an old update, so I'm sure you have it.
So what do I do?
All right. Here we go. Here we giggity go. Maybe not. Can you click what I want here? Thank you very much. Okay, so turn on your Xbox wireless controller, press the X button.
All right.
Press the controller bind button for 3 seconds and release.
Where? Oh, that one? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Releasing. Okay, I did. Oh, it's doing something. Okay.
Yeah, I think it's looking for your thing. On your PC, press start.
Start as in this?
Start. Yeah.
Okay.
Settings.
Settings.
Devices.
Okay.
Bluetooth and other
devices. All right. It's got the discoverable. This is audio. Select Xbox wireless controller. But this is Bluetooth and other devices, printers and scanners. Mouse? No, it's not mouse, is it? No.
We'll go back to Bluetooth.
Touchpad, typing.
No. Go back to Bluetooth. It doesn't say Xbox wireless controller.
Unless I can scroll down. Oh, but there's nothing. No. More Bluetooth options. Nope. Yeah. And here I thought we were gonna play some Castle Crashers.
Go up on this one. Is there anything like
at the Bluetooth or at the device, perhaps?
Maybe. Let's see.
Xbox controllers. Where is that?
Oh yeah.
Oh, hang on. I probably need to do this again. Nope. Come on. I'm doing.
I do.
Oh man. PC Master Race my ass.
PC fail race.
Because I'm not going to turn off the camera. So it won't do. Add the device.
Can you hold it for 3 seconds?
1, 2, 3. Let go. Nothing. Pew pew pew. Is it even looking for something? Add a Bluetooth device.
Try just regular Bluetooth. See if something pops up there.
Nope.
Damn you.
One last try.
Probably pops up on my phone.
Other than that, I only have 3 ports of USBs here.
Yeah, you know those USB adapter things, you know, where you click it, you get like 5 things.
Yeah. That's not gonna work. For a second I saw your eyes over there and I thought you're doing this behind my back. Oh, it's not working. This does not work. Does not work over here. Okay, maybe perhaps I have another idea. Perhaps. Can you give me the PS3 controller? I want to try something.
Are there keyboard controls in this game? Somebody could be at the keyboard?
Nah, won't work. I mean, now the thing is, I connected, but hold on, the window's not selected.
Oh, there we go.
What if? Nah, it stops working. I thought maybe it would still work once I unplug. But what about this one? Well, this one has a different type of connector. So that's not gonna work.
Neat.
Well, I don't want to play on my own though. It would have been awesome if we played together. Some sort of a beat 'em up. Bye. Quit.
Bye.
Let's see if we can find something else. What else can we play? This is not it. What else can we play together?
What else?
Want to play one more Quiplash? Let's play one more Quiplash because I'm.
For anybody who's left in the street.
Is there anybody that wants to play Quiplash? There's anyone left?
Anybody here right now?
Anybody left?
Please, we're lonely players.
We're lonely players. Quiplash. Launching Quiplash. We'll have one last round of Quiplash and we'll end the stream. And then we'll end the stream. I'm going to sleep.
Have a nice day.
Have a great time. Properties. Refresh.
Fasty pace.
Fasty's here. Hey!
Oh, fasty pace.
Or Fasty or Fasty.
Fast.
That means you fast. You know, you
like
fast.
You're fasting?
Yeah, it's like a diet. Fasting. Intermittent fasting. Alright, let's play some. I was gonna say, let's play some Fasty Pace. Let's play some Quiplash. That's what I meant. Let's play some Quiplash. Okay. Are we there yet? No, we're not. Almost there. Remove. Yeah, so this is my going away stream. I'm going away on Twitch. Add. Alright, so window capture. Okay. There we go. And I need my face cam to be on top. And order.
Late.
Ah, there we go.
There we
I'm
go.
late. Red is saying you're late.
Very late. Very
All
late
right.
night.
All right, here we go. Let's play some Fasty Pace.
Pasty place.
Fasty Place.
Pasty pace it is.
Hey, Fasty Pace. All right, so what we're gonna do? Everybody go to jackbox.tv. Go
Now.
do it now.
Now.
Press 8 to begin. What? Are you kidding me?
Your keyboard broken?
No, it's just that.
PC.
Oh, okay. No, the controller's connected.
Oh,
Alright. I see what you did there. Alright, play a game. Let's go. Let's see if we can get 6 people in at
Red
least.
says, hurry up with the code.
Let's see. Whoever gets in first wins. KW.
Oh no, my I'm not
Boom. First. Oh, he did it. Oh, look at that.
fast.
Where am I? Alright, Becky's there. Through it. Come on, can we get one more? Can we get a few more?
Can I get a... Please join us because we're lonely in the...
Can I get an amen? Come on, let me get a drink. Would you like some Sprite or something?
Ah, good. Truth, sit back and relax. Alright guys, he's gone. Tell me the truth. You all hate Vloggy, right? Yeah. I know it. I hate him too. Yeah!
What are you saying about me?
What are you saying about me? I say nothing. I said, hey, where's Vloggy? I miss him.
That's why we are here. Alright, so.
Yep, we're all here because we love Vloggy. That's what I was talking about.
Ah, okay. I got one eye again. Apparently, you're right about your Fortnite theory.
Hey, Abby's alive.
Okay, Red, go ahead and say everybody, then we're good to go. If I beat True, I'm happy.
Won't happen. I don't think you beat me. No, you beat me one game. You beat me one game. I beat you in the other game, and then I beat you in the third game.
It's amazing. We start shooting this game again. Look, it starts to do that thing again.
Yeah, this Quiplash is too technologically advanced.
You have a feeling we might get one more? Alright.
Okay.
Unless it's you with another tablet trying to score more points by voting for yourself.
Shady, shady Red.
Thumbs up.
That's a thumbs up. Thumbs up, yeah.
Black thumbs up.
Oh, you said it. You're not supposed to say it. You can't say it.
Why not? Why not?
Right. Who's gonna do? One of your blokes is coming, Red.
One of your blokes
Blimey.
from the British Isles.
Blimey, he's probably down at the pub having a pint.
Having a pint at a pub.
And he puts his car in the car park. That's more Boston, I guess. But, it's basically a form of Brits.
Oh man. Look at the synchronization. You know what reminds me of? Have you seen Gremlins, the second movie? The second Gremlins? There was two scientists. There were two scientists and they were twins. And they put some music on for Gizmo. And Gizmo starts dancing and the twins starts going like this together. Is this me or are we getting lag at the moment?
Yeah.
Let me try to fix it. I'm gonna end the stream for like 30 seconds. I'll be right back. I don't know if it's gonna make a difference. I'll try.
Speaking of which, we need to save Raccoon City. Sonic and Tails.
Oh yeah, that's right. Go home quickly.
I'm gonna head back to the States. We'll stream here in a minute.
Alright, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, we're going. Okay.
It's Schmitty. He's gonna say Schmitty. Hello, Pitch Me.
Hi, I'm Schmitty. That's spelled S-C-H, Mitty. Okay, folks, welcome to your worst nightmare, but in a good way. This is round one. 2 prompts will appear on your device, which you can answer in any clever or not clever way you want. Everyone will choose between your answer and someone else's and decide who wins. You score based on the percentage of players who like your answer. Plus, there are winners' bonuses at stake. Go!
Here we go. Alright, this one's bad taste, that's funny.
They're all in bad taste.
Alright, we'll see. Alright. Yeah, it's doing it again, look.
Ah.
Sorry about the lag, sorry about the lag, sorry about the lag, sorry about the lag. Oh, I'm sorry. It really puts me off.
Okay, here we go. Starting things off, what really happens if you stare at the sun too long? Okay, pick your favorite.
I'm sorry about the lag. There's nothing I can do. I don't know. And it's not the it's not the internet connection. It's not. Yeah, they got my Stevie Wonder joke.
Terrible joke.
Have you ever seen Stevie Wonder's wife?
No.
Neither does he.
Oh!
A terrible thing to sign on the cast of your friend's broken leg. Vote on your devices.
Alright. Alright. Yeah, I hate the frickin'... There's nothing I can do. I don't know what's going on. Maybe put OBS on high priority. No, but that's for RAM. That's for RAM.
Yeah,
no,
I
that's
don't
not
think
for RAM. The terrible joke.
The strangest new military weapon, blank-seeking missiles. Time to vote.
Oh man, there was an anus joke there somewhere.
Nah, that would have been too easy.
Yeah, but it's not processing. It's all about the bitrate and stuff. I don't know. Ooh, that was you. I don't even know what ligma is.
Next up,
Oh,
the biggest
hold on,
complaint
guys,
of
hold
people
on.
in
hold
hell.
on, let's just
It's voting time.
What are you saying?
Oh,
Oh no!
he's full, but I wanted to yell at him. Red. Thanks, Red. Come on, I wanted to yell at him in person. I never get to say that in person.
I have a colleague at work who does these jokes every day to me, and I keep falling for them.
Coming up
Hear
next,
about the new convention?
a movie that
No,
could use some
Stockholm?
nudity.
Talk about these nuts. A movie that could use some nudity.
Nothing. What? Who answered these?
I don't know.
I'm not giving anyone.
I don't understand this. I mean, there was so much joke here. I mean,
Yeah,
potential for a joke.
There was some beautiful potential there. Abby and Sainic, come on!
And next, the name of a shampoo for hippies. Time
Everybody wants to
Oh man,
that was you.
Man, we were
I voted for
I
you.
was in sync there.
Wow.
We both knew weeds.
Ligma.
What nickname for your abs? Vote on your devices.
Plastic.
I don't know. What would you call your abs?
Rolling Hills of Scotland.
I call them the washboard.
The washboard.
Alright, I'm winning.
Round one is in the books.
I
Let's see the
might
scores.
be second place if I had to take a guess. Oh!
Dang! I thought Red had that.
Wow, you're worse. Winning!
It's now time for round two. Everything is worth double, twice as much.
Heck yeah, it's me. Alright, oh shit.
Can't think of anything.
Uninspired, but I'll try. Better than nothing. Come on, Drew! 9, 8, 7, Actually, that was 1 second.
The first
make you
prompt
hurry.
is come up with a name for a rock band made up entirely of baby ducks. Okay, everyone, vote for your favorite.
Horse.
Come on, I expect to win this one.
Is that you?
Oh, come on!
People are mean!
Whoa, come on, man! Ducks and roses! I like them. I don't drown them. I don't get duck. I don't get drowned.
You guys are horrible people.
And next is come up with a catchier, more marketable name for the Bible.
Oh, wait, come on.
It's voting time.
I don't get any of these, actually. I don't get any of these. Oh, that was you?
That's all. That's a lot of stuff in the Bible right there.
It's true. No, it's true. It's true. It's true. There is a fire.
Next up,
know,
something it'd be fun to watch ride an escalator.
In the audience.
Time to vote.
Fun to watch. Ride an escalator. I guess. Oh, that was you!
Yeah.
I voted for you.
Yeah, I wasn't.
And the audience made the
Hey,
difference.
audience, dollar roll, get it!
Next one, something Big Bird will confess on his deathbed. Vote on your
Oh!
What you guys stupid? Oh, get him! About time somebody roasted someone else other than me.
That is something I always make that joke. Before I always say, I have $1 million. Nice. Ooh.
Oh, I tried to-
Oh!
I
Now you and me against both you guys.
tried to get him.
That's good. That's a good
Next
one.
in line, a good name for an erotic bakery.
What?
It's voting time.
Okay, I like this one. This one's good.
Never heard of it.
Come on. Oh, Abby! Well done. The wrong way.
No flash for you. Abby might be in the lead with that one.
And next,
keeping him in the big
something fun to do with your kidney stones after you pass them.
Something fun to do with kidney stones after you pass them.
Time to
Use them
vote.
as counters on your Pokemon card. What? Hit them with
If you're on a beach, you can run to. What? Those are both. Why's everybody gotta throw me in there? There's no E in my name, by the way.
Yeah, by the way, no. Do it PRU.
Yeah, dude, get it right. You're gonna put my name in. Right, yeah, kind of big.
Ah, look at me. We're just you're bashing through. Another vote for him.
Feel reverse psychology.
Reverse psychology.
Coming up next, Mother Teresa's deepest secret. It's voting time.
What the hell? At least they spell my name right.
They're picking on you today.
I don't even know what Lenny.
Usually it's always me.
What is Lenny face?
I don't know what Lenny face is. It's a Twitch thing,
It's a
probably.
Twitch thing. Everything's a Twitch thing. All those faces. I try not to support the Asian.
Yes, you like. And you. Oh, you like Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
She's like a funky person. I thought True was all up in her.
Okay, I'm not.
And that's all for
Sexy
round
face.
two. Here
I
at the
think Red's
scoreboard.
annoyed.
Whoa, went to 6.
Oh, I still got it.
You're still going. You got this.
Still got it.
You got this.
This
that's
The
funny.
last lash, the
All right.
final round. Stakes are tripled. There's just one prompt, and you're all getting it.
Oh.
Your prompt is another use for gravy.
Alright. You might guess that one's me. I'm on 6 right now. I hope people get this, and I think you will understand.
Okay, in this round, you have 3 votes to give to players. You can give them all to one player or spread them out.
Hold it.
Oh, good lord, who did that last one?
I like these. Alright. You got which one is mine. This
I got which one is yours.
Come on. Oh. Hold it.
Why would you use gravy as a toilet? How do you even use gravy?
I actually don't know. I don't know how I clicked on that. Yeah, misclick. I didn't want that. Oh.
I gave you 2.
Hey, let me go. Thank you. I needed those. Ooh. You're not
How do you use gravy as diarrhea?
Exactly. That doesn't make sense. Ooh! Whoopee. What's Whoopee?
Yeah,
Oh,
Whoopee.
is that the Sims? Whoopee! Whoopee! This is going offline. Who is that? Sonic?
That's it. Let's take a look at the final scores.
Through is the champion, my friend.
You know what we should play? I had an idea. We can play something. We can play something. I have an idea. But we need to have a little intermission. We need to have a little intermission.
Okay.
And I have an idea what to play. No, that's enough. Not enough cash, stranger.
Not enough wood, stranger.
Alright. How about we play... I don't know if you feel like it. Hold on, let me get the game, see if you like it. Because only my PS4 is connected, so it has to be on PS4.
Okay, go get your game. What's going on, guys? Just wait.
How about this?
Hey.
Nice! How about this?
I'll be terrible at it, but I'll play it.
I would play this once in my life.
Alright, once?
Yes.
You own it?
I promise. I promise. Alright, so we can do that.
True, you bastard. What did I do, Donna?
What did you say
I did
about
nothing.
me? I have to rewatch the stream now.
I was just sitting here
Watch the
like
stream.
a good little boy.
Hold on. Oh, okay. Probably have to. So this is off. Is this my PS? Has to be. Is there a game inside?
Guys. Just doing a little mic check. 1 2 1 2.
Actually, I'm thinking. Hold on. Oh, Resident Evil. Are you playing it even offline?
Resident Evil.
But the thing is, the stream is lagging big time. I don't.
Yeah, I mean,
No, I don't.
that'd be funny if it didn't lag during this.
No,
It didn't lag during Pokemon.
It's gonna lag. Let's leave it because it's putting me off. I want to have a tournament video on this, but the stream is lagging and it's annoying me. It's annoying me. So we're gonna call it. We are going to call it. What are we gonna call it? We're gonna call it Abby.
We're gonna call it Abby.
We're gonna call it
Abby.
We wanted to play some. But the stream seems to be lagging. I don't know why. I configured it for Twitch, and I use the same configuration for going back to YouTube. I don't know. Something's going off. Anyway, so we are gonna go.
Oh, Amy shows up now?
Of course she does.
Now Amy shows up. I'm over here.
Oh, I burped.
Take it all in. Take it all.
Yep. This. Yep.
Oh!
No, that was fake. That wasn't real. That wasn't real.
Pass out.
Alright, we're gonna go. I wanted to stream a bit more, but I'm not convinced. It would ruin my experience if because there's a lot of movement.
Yeah, there's a lot of color going on there.
There's a lot of
green, yellow, green.
Now it's green. Now it's green, of course.
Now it's green.
Now it's green. We're gonna go. I will see you on Twitch. Thank you all so much for hanging out with us. And True for being here. Hi, dads. Dads. We're your dads.
Hi, dads.
No, she's talking to Dada.
Dada.
Going where? Freddy! I am going to Twitch. Maybe we can drag through as well.
As long as nobody watches me, I might come to Twitch.
Oh man. Yes, and make sure you don't alt-tab windows. Duplicate the two windows.
Yeah. Don't be vloggy. That's the real disclaimer.
Alright, we're gonna go. Thank you, and we'll see you on True's channel, playing Sims and stuff.
Sims and things?
Whoopee and stuff. Whoopee! Oh, no, that's not Whoopee, that's Wahoo they do.
Oh yeah, I made a little Wahoo with Amy, if you know what I mean. The character is Sims Amy, guys. Alright,
the character Amy.
Perfect.
Yeah. Happens to have a boss.
No relations.
Yeah.
Yes, this character has a boss. No relations to anybody living in present.
Am I gonna go out in this shirt now? Am I gonna? You know what it says on the back? Oh, I have to flip the image though. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see if I can do that. Properties. Do I have to flip the image?
Is that how it works?
Oh.
I don't know how internet
video
and videos work.
Buffering.
Can you flip it?
I don't know. It doesn't say.
Oh, image flip horizontally, vertically, horizontally. Is that how it works? Oh, hey!
Where am I?
You're gone. It's my stream. This is the true show. Oh, damn.
Look. Oh, wow. It's affecting the...
Your green screen is greening you.
There you go.
There it goes. Le Vloggy. Look at that.
Am I gonna go out in a shirt that says this?
And then, oh wait, duck down a little more. Oh wait, hold on. Little this way. And a little higher. Okay, oh wait, a little this way. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, you touch my tralala. My ding ding dong.
Am I gonna go out in this shirt?
What do you guys think? Let chat vote whether he should walk in public with that shirt. Oh, what happened to this?
No, I just turned on the monitors again and they're like, oh, and me,
still the vlog.
I'm not here anymore.
It's the True Show now. This is True's channel. I'm going to Twitch. Oh,
God.
God. Oh, my God.
We're here now.
Hey.
No, we're here.
The True Show. I'm going to Twitch.
No, we're going here again.
Oh, my God.
So, Twitch as well. Have I convinced you?
I'll probably go on Twitch. I want to be one of the cool kids. I'll just be like high school all over again, left alone on the yard.
Exactly.
Everybody moved
All the
away.
cool kids went to Twitch
Cool
now.
kids went to Twitch. I'm stuck on YouTube.
Okay.
Like NerdTube.
I'm gonna say goodbye to everyone now.
Where'd chat go?
Where'd chat go?
Yo,
So,
chat.
whoa, there.
Ah!
What am I doing?
I can't see.
Alright, so.
Where's the new chat?
There's the new stuff. Alright, so.
there it
Wahoo me. Needed to include mustache. Ah, the mustache. Yeah, I didn't put mustache.
You don't have a mustache.
But you know what? This is True's artwork, and now it's forever on a shirt. It's
now
the immortal. It's forever immortalized on a shirt now.
Now you're a piece of art.
A piece of work.
You're a piece of work, alright.
Alright. Yeah, I'm cool on Twitch now as well. Exactly, everyone's on Twitch. So
Everybody's on Twitch. I want to be cool.
Yeah, let's go on Twitch.
I'm on Twitch.
Yeah, next time though.
F.
Oh, quiet, you're subscribed here. Thank you for subscribing. I just
you
guys.
He subscribed to mine too the other day. I'm like, cheers, subscribe again? How?
All right, we're gonna go.